me at this time? Do you want him to start suspecting me? Please, I'll talk to you later. Or better still, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay?
Papa?
Give me spanner 10.
Okay, Papa.
Please go and check if there's water in that radiator.
Okay, Papa.
Papa! Papa!
What is it?
It's Mama. Oh, I don't know. The illness is not getting any better. So I don't even know how she's feeling right now.
What is the actual problem now? Is it temperature?
Papa, it's not good.
Amara, what are you doing here?
That is Mama.
My mother?
Yes, now.
What's wrong with her?
I can't even explain. Papa, let's go, let's go.
Okay, Ada, don't worry. It's clear it's emergency. So let me go and attend to her.
Papa, no, let me come with you.
No. Who will take care of her? Please, man here, let me go and man.
Okay, Papa.
Papa, let's go.
Okay, Papa.
I'll be right back.
Okay, Papa.
Let go.
Nami dey here. Nami.
Hey,
their father. For here. Hey.
Is the meaning of this madness?
Give me that spanner. Where is that spanner?
I said, which spanner? Will you shut up? Shut up and stand here. Stand when I'm talking. You don't walk out on me.
Thank you, ma.
Have you lost it?
No, ma.
Are you insane?
No, yes, ma.
Shut up! Shut up!
Biro, you lose tire now. Lose tire.
Hurry up now.
Why are you lose which tire? I think you want them to say make I lose tire.
Which one them to come and will you come out of that place?
Madam, we are working.
And since when has my workshop turned into a disco hall? Can someone talk to me?
You lose tire now. Lose tire.
I said someone should answer my question before I sack out of the Talk to me. Which tire? Come on, please stand up from there. Which tire?
You know, say I be good people. I want those people, but they will never listen. Madam, no vex, I go talk.
Then start talking.
Ma talk now, you say so. Madam, the thing say. Today rugged though, I swear.
I don't like this one. I want that
As in today get a CV. Guy, what's up now? Wetin dey happen?
Mommy, I don't get joy.
You just quiet today or like you? No, I beg free am. Person wey in life dey like this today, you want make you get joy, you no get any. That's na woman and breast. Breast and nyash to kill you.
As I dey bored like this, I just dey find one small. I will get big breast. You just put for my mouth. Just put breast for my mouth.
Every time.
Look at I just dey.
Nyash. Nonsense. I dey talk.
If I don't go talk nyash, breast, wetin I go talk? I be homo. Wetin dey worry you?
Every time breast, you dey craze. Breast, nyash. You too like breast. Hope say no be my breast. Hope say no be my breast. You dey look the yarn that thing wey you dey yarn. If no be woman.
Where good luck come. Senior bra. I get you.
Welcome.
Sorry, I want to wash my car.
That thing don't bite you.
Bite me, just let me check.
Okay?
Yeah, behind.
Down.
Go, just go down.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you feel better now?
I'm okay. I want to have my car fixed.
Wait, waiting they do.
It's making a funny sound from the engine.
Oh,
Okay, he can do
sound,
it.
funny
Yeah.
sound.
You know, yeah, now.
You now.
Na gearbox they do. You know, say when gearbox got the gear deck like this, you got the jack like this.
Don't worry, I can run it.
Na the
Yes.
gasket.
Give me spanner.
Are you girls the ones to handle it?
Yeah. Biro, may you run am.
Hero run am. Hero enter.
Put your bonnet first.
Biro, do run the thing sharp sharp. Respect yourself.
Other year, the gasket don't get a deck. They give a mate in like go well.
Oh, well, yeah.
Hurry! Oga, wait. You know say this thing Oga, you try this kind of thing, say walk your car, come to Caponash like this. Pee. The car go well.
Oh,
Yes.
I will always bring my car here.
I know. You get home with your friends.
I like your service.
You want to trick it?
It's the best service you can
Trick
get.
it small, feed the way they are
Hey,
doing.
try.
Easy or no wound.
Try. Not small. I know.
Strong, go. This one too strong.
Did they enter, B?
I will always bring my service.
Walu Jama.
Yeah, thank you.
The work they go Abi.
Yeah, I think so.
And they see I'm all over your body.
No, they say any here.
That you no go package yourself small. No say you
Wait,
do your
nah, make person chop bread, we say walk you.
Bobo, wetin dey do am?
I hope you're okay, right?
Yes, very
Yeah,
well.
he's okay.
Senior bra. Start your car, don't be like say.
Come on,
No,
Mr.
no.
Man, do some more work there now. That was so quick.
I be say you no know this guy. Piroski. Pirororo. Na him be losing and tightening. Na since say he don finish, forget am.
Just
It's
tire.
ready, eh?
Oga, see make I tell you.
Oga,
see, make I
focus,
tell
test
you.
your motor.
Na me be fresh Piro omo nwa,
You don
Piro
do.
I dey tight dey
Abeg,
loose.
your
As I
friends
tell you say your car don good, you don good.
Oga, focus, start this motor.
They don carry press.
Baby, let's go. So
I still
let's go.
doubt.
Let's go and test it together.
Bear with me.
Now in baby, now wait till walk for you.
Bear with me.
Start your motor. No, the car lato here. No.
See they call am
They
baby.
confused. He's confused. Start your motor. Abeg.
Oga, never. Starter. Confirm. You dey feel am? You dey feel am now,
I
abi?
tell you na.
Oya, off am. Oya, tender the rubbers fast.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Oh, you know, before you were confused because until you go 1 or 2, no.
You're a big boy.
Yeah, thank you. So, how much is it?
Tell us something.
Na my small madam go tell you.
Could be small, madam.
You no be small madam before. I be teaching her by nyash.
What did they do
You leave packaging collect.
It's just 60,000 naira.
Na small money o. Na gentleman, na small money. Na small money.
Pay for it.
You leave and kwanu na make you collect something. Bring
It's
money.
okay. I'll get you the money.
Yeah, bring it, sir. I know na small money. He's a gentleman. He's a gentleman. No the.
Yeah, I know.
You leave with this man. Na make him bring money.
Okay, here's 100,000 naira.
Sir?
Yes. 60,000 for the repairs and then 40,000 for the girls.
Sisimion. Pa. Param. Only you na you. You're a gentleman.
Yes. Thank you for the work and
Anytime. Leave this man. Okay, you can go, sir.
Carry your Jonathan cap.
Very okay. I like the kind customer.
You have an appointment. What you see your baby now?
But this your tire. We need to later I go come home straight the sharp.
Baby,
Tomorrow.
okay.
The sharp. You don't need
I
to.
love you.
If you check again, when you come back here,
You carry your big body come inside.
I wish you happy Jackie.
Sisimion. Pa. Only you collect am.
You love me.
Watch your back.
And was that why you people want to pull down my workshop?
I tell them, oh, madam.
Eh? So where is the money? Where is the money?
I have it.
Submit it immediately. Submit now. Which
You submit money now, they work.
Submit money will not be your own. You hold and tight.
Madam, but we supposed to get our own cut now.
You lack respect.
She doesn't have no vex.
I said you should submit the money now.
What's the problem?
You know the
I said you should submit the money.
You submit money when not your own now. Eh?
Is this all the money?
Yes, it's the money.
Which one do you have with
Madam,
you?
check
No,
well,
I-
check
not
with
seen
them.
it.
And you? I hope you don't have any money you're hiding.
I know if you try that nonsense. I did very loyal. No be
You
me.
cannot be greater
I
than
know
your
they don't
boss.
I know, ma.
You people know exactly how we run things here.
Yes, ma'am.
Later I will sort you out.
God bless you, ma.
I'm talking and you're
What?
drinking. Come on, will you drop that drink? Drop it.
You no get respect.
Oh,
No
look
get
at it.
respect. No get respect.
And you shut up. I didn't ask you to talk.
Sorry.
You know you are the only one I can trust. A little.
Madam, you say?
You, I am not talking to. Shut up.
Under fire.
How will you shut up? So tell me, is this all the money?
Madam, that one no my department. Now them home money. I don't get anything to do. My own, I just lose. Clear engine.
And what is that 500 naira doing there?
I talk am. Only God know. I talk.
I said, what is the money doing
Then they
there?
spray money breeze.
Give it to me.
See am. Una no go fit put me into trouble. God knows say my hand be clear.
Oh,
Even like say that customer change you.
customers change.
Yes.
You know what? Can you hands up for me?
Eh?
I said you should hands up.
Ma.
Are you insane? I said you should hands up.
Our get benante.
I know you can't steal my money. I know you can't steal my money. I know. I trust you, but something. What? Why did you lie to me? Why do you have to lie to me?
Who put this money for my?
Will you shut up? Criminals! That's the people I'm training. Idiots! You people know how we run things here. I will sort you out later. I hope you don't have any other money anywhere. No. Look at them. Let me have that drink. Let me have it. Give it to me.
Give her the drink.
Madam do good. Madam do good.
Madam the mother.
You're fresh.
Madam the mother on top my drink.
I want to spray money like so I don't collect.
I see her behind.
Madam, come on. Another money.
I dey crazy.
Sweetheart. Okay, let's go. I'm set.
I don't feel like going out again.
Why?
I have changing plans. I've already changed my mind.
But babe, I'm your woman. Whatever it is, you should be able to tell me.
There is nothing to share.
Babe, please talk to me. What is it?
There's nothing wrong. I'll be fine, okay?
Okay. So then I will have to go out now. Okay?
Where are you going to?
I want to go pick up a way bill. I'll be right back. Okay?
You think I'm a fool? I pity you.
Are you still in this condition? No. You're running temperature. What of your drugs? Have you finished them? Are they still there?
The one you gave me last night was the last one.
The last one.
I finished them yesterday.
Oh. We have to get more. We have to get more. Take this. Go to the chemist. Tell him to give you more drugs. Usual drug.
Okay.
We need more.
Amara, please. No,
Eh?
I don't want to continue taking the usual drugs that you normally buy for me. I am tired of them. You have been giving me drugs and it's not yielding any positive results. Take me to the hospital and let them treat me. Let them check to know what is wrong with me and give me the right drugs. I am tired now. Or do you want me to die?
Hey! Adaka na monkey wali ike molo tie ma kunishi. Eh? That will mean getting more money to go and buy more drugs.
Even if it's more money, get more money. I'm tired.
Okay, just give me time.
Take me to the hospital.
I will do.
Dead.
My darling, I will do. Okay, let me go to the house and pick more money. Oh, just hang on.
Who there? Good morning.
How may I help you?
My car break down. You know Greece start.
Where is the place? I hope it's not far from here.
No far. Nah, just for front here, I beg. I beg.
Can wait, may I bring my tools?
I beg, make them fast, I beg. I'll let it go up.
This one?
Yeah.
What did they do before? What did you talk before?
You know green starts and the leg, that right leg. They do kaka, they do one.
They do kaka.
Yeah.
That leg?
Yes.
That one?
Yes.
Man.
My darling.
I'll do anything for you, Charity. You know why? Because I love you so much.
Oh, I love you too.
That reminds me, I don't know, how would coming to spend a weekend with me look like? I mean, having me in that house without you?
I know, sweetheart, but you know, the weekends here is usually so busy for me. You know, weekends we do a whole lot of work here. And leaving this workshop might make my madam to sack me.
Sack who? Sack who?
Me.
Who cares? Sack you for, come on. That will be fine by me. You know why? I'll fix you up. Set something more lucrative than what you're doing now.
Guy, you know, see this kind man, eh? All these kind men who know they fit give their wife money. See, they fool himself here.
Just saying don't matter.
I the reason. So na sugar daddy now. If you look at it, you know say he don't old for sugar daddy work.
No we are in now.
Now so they come out now. They come out in. So na guru for sugar daddy.
Madam, God bless you, I beg. God bless you.
It's nothing. But try and change that your shock, eh?
Okay, now shock they do them before.
Shock they do.
I suspect them.
Yes.
Okay, how much I can give you now?
Okay, I don't go to charge you anything. Just give me what you have.
I know to get money, but make I just help me manage this one. Okay. God bless you.
It's okay.
Thank you, eh?
Thank
God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Take care. Yeah. Bye-bye. Easier said than done.
Come on. You know me. You know my capabilities. My word is my bond. Trust me.
Talking about that, I told you that my house rent has expired. And you haven't even said anything.
My bad. My bad. It escaped my memory. However, I'll fix it right now.
Whoa.
Right now.
Whoa.
Like right now.
Okay. Thank you. Chai. See love nah. Love sweeter. Hey.
Wait. Na kiss I been waiting be this one. Hey, this girl no get home training. You see this chacha, eh? Why not they look each other like that? Can't see what they see for years. This girl just kiss her boyfriend and here. She don't get sense.
Wetin concern you? You know go find your own bobo make you dey kiss am too. Wetin concern you?
Try. I go love oh. Love sweet. I I beg. No, allow the poor girl enjoy her life. And they enjoy themselves. No be them do some people. Jealousy. Kill you too.
They don't get home training. The dark side they kiss anyhow. You say me they I go love oh. If they leave you, go call the kiss like this.
You wey me know. If you see person, you go even fuck am for outside. I go love oh. I go love. Yes, oh. We go love.
I don't get home training.
Where is Ada? Where is Ada? This girl I left and told her to take care of this place. Ada! Where are you, Ada?
Papa.
Where did you go to?
Papa, you are back.
I am back.
How is Mama feeling?
It's not getting better, but something will be done about that one later. Eh?
Papa, a man came here when you left and said his car broke down by the roadside, so I had to go and fix it for him. When I finished, he gave me 2,000 naira.
Wait, you went and fixed the car for the man?
Yes, Papa.
And got 2,000 naira?
Yes, Papa.
Okay, have you that improved? I'm happy. Papa, give me a hug. This is good news.
Thank you, Papa.
Keep it up.
Thank
Keep
you,
it up.
Thank you.
Okay, let's round up here and then to go home and take care of your mother. She can't be left alone. I don't understand the way this situation is going.
But Papa, what did the doctor say?
Doctor emphasized just on bringing more money, that the much we have done cannot take care of the situation. So we'll work out on that money thing because that's where the step is now.
Papa, we will get the money.
Please.
Nothing must happen to Mama.
Nothing should.
We'll get the money.
Because.
Yes, Papa. Let's finish up so we'll go and see her. We'll go and see her.
Check your account balance. I transferred 500,000 naira to you for your rent.
No. No. You joking.
Trust me.
You are joking.
I'll do anything for you.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you. 500. Oh my God. Oh my God. 500,000. Like I'm freaking out.
Yeah. You know what?
What?
I have other engagements to catch up with.
Oh.
So I'll be on my way. You're happy now?
I'm happy.
You're cool
yes,
now?
Yes.
Guy. 500,000. Hey. See, my next word, I could be woman. 500,000 for Panyo.
I will still go chop with the
You gotta respect yourself.
Okay, I'll have to be on my way.
You have to be on your way.
Yeah, I will. I have to be on my way. I'm missing so. All right, now. Take care of yourself.
Yes,
Sure,
yes. Bye.
All right, then. Take care.
Yeah, I will.
All right.
My God! My God, it's so. I be.
Guess what, guys?
All this excitement on your face. Nah, Obulu guessing. Guy, in the mechanic, that's guessing. I no guessing. Go straight to the point. What here goes your sim guessing? Yes, you too like I'm a boy.
Okay. Steve-O just transferred 500,000 into my account. Hey God!
Hey!
You mean say my house rent wahala is over? Hey!
My breast.
I want this. Oh Jesus! Hey, this one choke.
My left breast on the heavy me.
What did they worry this one?
Forget them. Let's share on your excitement.
I
not go there.
go there.
I beg you go sit down.
Come on, my God! That's it. That's what's up.
Babe, so where will you take us to celebrate
Yes,
this? We obviously need to celebrate this.
Yes, now.
Of course now. That one a show banker now.
Tell us.
Hey, we go chill out this night.
Hey! Yes! He choked.
Stop coming now. My girl.
Hey.
Di mama.
Mama. Oh. Hey, the time you're bringing this food is apt. That's when the hunger has hit me bad.
Everybody.
I'll get the kind of cover.
I didn't know you.
That woman. It has an aroma, wonderful aroma. Hey, what I predicted is happening. Hey, it's the kids way of old.
I didn't know you. When I was making this food, I had you in my heart. I was singing. Everybody, mama, name Munobi.
Hey,
now,
them.
have you been under the sun since all day?
What? Do I have a choice?
So sorry.
For your sake.
Yeah, I'll make salad with it. I want my husband to be eating.
Papa, good evening.
Good evening.
My daughters, how are you? Good evening.
They're fine.
How are all of you?
They're fine. They're fine.
Did you get the money I told you to get for me?
Oh, I almost forgot. Yes, Papa.
Can you look at your friend?
I see the money.
Your friend?
Don't buy that, Papa.
Echegwea.
I trust you. I don't have to count this. I don't have to count it.
When it comes to my money, my husband
Okay. Hold it for me.
Okay.
Hold it for me. I trust you wouldn't tamper with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm the one that holds everything, man.
Papa, what is it?
What is it? What is it? Is it the food? Can't get what? Ogini.
You know, I was just joking.
Joe, I hope it's not because I tied your money in my head.
Papa, you're so funny.
Can you imagine?
Papa? Oh, Papa? Papa?
Oh, okay.
Your food is ready. Come and eat.
Ready?
Yes, food is ready, Papa.
All right.
Papa, is everything all right?
Let's not go into that there. I'll join you. I'll join you.
Okay, Papa. Sorry. I'll connect now. Why is her number not connecting anymore? What happened?
Today bad, Sha. It be like say we go enter streets, go hustle customers, come.
I even think know wetin dey my mind.
You know guys, you won't be. Now wetin we go do? Because before you know it now, Madam Do Good will come back. Be the para for everybody here.
All of una dog. You see you guys? Una just dey do like a bono for this mechanical shop. Yes now. See, make I tell you. Normally, una suppose use wetin una get. Give us wetin dey find now.
Shut up! Shut up! You know go outside, go hustle customers, carry them come now. Only waiting in the shop you want.
My friend, keep quiet. I talk to you. Eh? Now you be the only guy waiting for this workshop. And they ask you. Let's say they craze. You don't tell where they reason your matter. You see how she did like this. Don't tell where they reason your matter. Bobo, your shoulder part get weight. Me. She dey give. She don't be my spec. She don't get breast. She don't get nyash. So that's I won't use that one day.
Anybody talk as you were one like this. Which girl one like you?
Hey, they touch your mustache.
As you one like this.
Fine boy like me, sweet boy. Glucose home. Tell her something.
Glucose, come. Go jam with mom. Your pocket fine. I beg. Your pocket fine.
Hey. My pocket no fine today. Go fine tomorrow. Normally.
You don't do.
Hey, as a shop my dad don't tell us say you don't.
I beg you don't do. Make we not forget what we want to do. You don't do. Be cool.
Let me try it again. It's ringing. It's ringing.
Now wow.
Tata. Your phone just ring. You know one pick your call? Pick your call, oh. You don't know whether that's short time, then they call you.
My mind no dey
there. If they break, you will get up.
I dey come abeg, ma answer my call.
Call.
Let's get to the show herself.
She dey lucky now, I'll full time.
What's up with her now? Every time she go just show herself.
Thank you.
What's happen? Every time she go just busy body.
Wait first, ma understand something. Person phone dey ring. How you come dey prepare you?
Hello? Who is this?
Hello? Charity, it's me. Don't you have my number anymore? It's Ada from the village.
Ada? It's you?
It's me. I'm surprised you're asking who is this. You don't have my line anymore. I don't understand.
No, I'm sorry, Ada. Actually, I lost my phone and I just did a welcome back yesterday. That was what happened. How are you?
My dear, all is not well, oh. All is not well.
All is not well? What is going on?
It's my mother. She has been sick. And the little money I saved, we've been spending it on her medication. Right now, I need more money. I don't know what to do.
Oh, Ada, I'm sorry about your mother. How much are we looking at?
The doctor said this is going to cost another 50,000 naira. 50,000! Hey, where will I get that kind of money from? No, we just make small money from this our mechanic business. I don't know. Anything you can send to me, I'll really appreciate. Let me add to the little I have already. Please.
Okay, don't worry. I will see what I can do, okay? And I'll be coming to the village next week. So when I come, we'll have to sit down and talk.
Thank you so much. God will really bless you for me. Thank you. I will see you when you come back. Thank you. Take care of yourself, oh.
That's all right. Okay, then I have to go back to work. All right?
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
If I dey enter your eye, close am.
Whose eye they enter? Shift now. Or you want me to sit on your body?
Tata, wait oh. Like this call wey dey make sense.
It concern you. May I rush my call come out?
Ha!
You dey jealous my call?
Normally, daybreak call dey always stay very brief.
My own no dey brief. My own dey long. Why you dey monitor am?
Love it. Your baby no dey.
Senior bra. Yeah.
Let's see into your car again.
Welcome on.
Yeah, thank you.
You don't go, okay, the straightening of the wheel.
Actually nothing happened to the car. I just came to see if we
See me, I'm here, my love.
Okay, that's who you are, Zago Street.
My baby.
There's nothing wrong with the car. I just came to see if we could talk.
See me. Me.
If we could talk.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you want? Like?
So, I was thinking if we can actually have, let's say, like a fling.
No yawa, anything for you. Just tell us how you want it.
Let me say your money longer.
Yeah, don't worry.
You don't get problem. You don't have any problem. Wow.
Fling. Enjoy. Senior bros. I don't know this fling way talk. I don't know whether he will follow. Guy mama on that one too.
The girls
Okay. There's no problem, eh? Just choose. Who do you want? You want her? Just choose anyone you want. Any person.
Okay.
Baby, me, right? I know.
I think I would want 2 for now.
Oh, really?
Yes. So I am picking her.
Number 1.
And then she.
Oh.
Yes, she got it. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Oh.
You want to do too.
I like it double.
The money long way.
She can even join you guys.
Let me do 2 this time.
Oh.
Bros, I beg. They go lose your kamba. Ndi aga talk kamba. They go lose your kamba bushy.
Senior bra, but wetin man do man na? Or how you go come here, choose girls where you won't go enjoy, come lose guide me and my nigga. We want me to fling us to enjoy.
Don't worry,
Before them go lose your kamba bushy. Just do.
Don't worry, my baby have money.
Yes, man.
My baby,
I know it's
talk
always a
and
gentleman. He's a
do.
gentleman.
My baby, I too love you.
Okay, just have it.
We see
For the
them.
boys.
I too love you.
You know.
I see the service your mother. Change your oil.
Here we are.
I see the service your mother.
Let's Fasha.
Yeah. I knew you would love it here. So, shall we proceed?
Money for hand, back for ground. We shouldn't be talking about this now.
Yeah, you know, money's not a problem. Meanwhile, I am suggesting we go down to the bar, have some drinks, and then we'll come back for business.
Mba, Oga, you see this one? I know this. Mba. Me, we chop better abacha. If you eat that abacha, I swear to God, Oga, you're gonna thank me later. Abacha where they make person they speak fune. Abacha no be here. I chop am. I no come here, come eat or drink. I'm not hungry. Just give me the money. How you see am, my girl? Money will come here, come collect. And I say, Gary, we will resemble you people where they hungry.
You seem to like money so much.
Okay, don't go there. My name is supposed to be Monica, but my mother gave me love it. Me that don't have heart to love, but let me be managing it. Just give us the thing. Give us. You know, money makes me wet. Even fear now, thank you.
It's alright. You know what? Money has never been my problem.
What pretend and bring it out. Okay, in fair. I'm gonna know. Money. My dear. I want to recover that with my head. Let me secure my head. Even for workshop, I they make more than this. If you are doing like this, we will not argue.
So can we go out for a drink now?
No. Anyway, you said let's go. But I think we should get to business. Because there's no time, you know. Money makes me wet. I'm wet already. Baby, I got you. I did it.
I trust you. I know what
So where is Lovett and Tasha? I've not seen them since morning.
Then go outside walk. Who's on the arm?
With who?
You get one senior bra, one sweet bubble will come here. That man, that guy hold inside. You hold inside where? Get money.
I don't care if he's rich or not. The only thing I want to know is if they discuss about the terms and conditions before leaving this place.
Madam, you can't talk like say you don't know your guests again. Them be old show for this business. Then discuss.
Fine, it's alright, that's fine. And the car, have you fixed the camber bushy and the linkage I asked you to change?
This car?
Have you done that?
This car why I don't work since. I don't work this car for guess I don't even wait till they come out for here.
That means you're done. You need to get busy. Look at that mess this day. You need to lose the gearbox. Drop it. I need you to drop it so we can change it. How is that your business? And you are just here doing nothing. Huh?
Madam, now you say make her dey check everywhere if you know there.
So what about the parts we ordered from Ladipo? Who is supposed to bring them back?
Shaggy.
And you, Shaggy. Shaggy, your mind is not here. Shaggy, how am I sure that this mechanic work is your core? Is it your destiny? You're always lost in thoughts, Shaggy.
No. Sorry, man.
Hey!
This one when Madam just say para the ginger. You should say that thing never happened.
No one concern her. I don't even know wetin dey happen to her. Me, I won't go even tell her say I want travel.
You won't go tell her say you want travel. You should say she go agree.
That will not concern me. Whether she agree or not, I go travel.
Anyways, there is no harm in trying. You go try on luck now.
It's all way they talk say no harm in trying. You. This your line, I don't understand. But I go just tell us how they travel. Wish me luck.
Wish you luck.
Wish me luck now.
I wish you luck.
Ido, don't give me that bullshit. I paid for 3 gearbox. Why will you send only one? I don't get it. What about the shocks I paid for? Is it not supposed to be 8? How can I spend my money for nothing? Look, I'm giving you 48 hours to deliver my goods. What nonsense?
Madam, I beg, no vex. I want to discuss something with you.
Go ahead, please make it snappy. I don't have a day. Come on, will you stand up? And who asked you to sit?
Sorry, ma'am.
Come on, adjust the chair. Look at her. Speak.
Madam, I came to tell you that about my off.
And when is that supposed to be?
Madam, is this weekend and it's for 3 days.
Granted.
Ma?
You heard me. I said granted. What is it?
Thank you, ma.
Leave my presence.
Thank you, madam.
At once. Get out! Can you imagine? Can you imagine it, though? What's the meaning of this? Oh gosh.
Yeah, father, don't talk.
Did I not say something here? Did I not tell you she don't agree?
Are you serious?
She don't agree. Make her dey travel.
What did you tell her?
Forget wetin I tell her. I know wetin I tell her now.
So like this now for weekend now you travel go villa.
Yes, so but I don't go stay long now. Just 3 days.
3 days. Now farm work you dey go do.
3 days no far now.
Foul.
Before you know it, I don't show.
And now if you dey go now. Now for people wey go miss you. Piro no go miss you.
Why you dey lie now? Why you dey lie? Now you go miss me fast. Now you, Piro. Now you go miss me fast. Talk through first. You don't miss me.
I will miss you now.
Small
madam, big
Yeah, I see the service your
Mensa.
Change your oil, no.
Mensa. Now go we dey like this. Wake up. We don't try.
The money don't expire.
You know say
Sorry.
we not supposed to wake you up normally because you don't settle us.
We don't supposed to lose guard since, but we say based on logistics, say you don't write with us. Then why we dey wake you up? We want dey go, and we won't use this medium tell you say you try. We enjoy you switch, you enjoy every bit of it.
Just say, me will tell you, say it was nice doing business with you. I want to see you again.
Yes.
Thank
you.
Doing business with you.
Yeah, I had fun and I always come back for more.
You sure?
Yeah.
You need to, because all these ties we will give you no be for one day. We have to continue. I will continue it.
I always call back, yeah?
You need to increase your pay based on the sweetness.
Money is not a problem.
Okay?
They find my hook.
And I hope the next time, no CDs.
Okay. No CDs. That's a topic for another day.
So babe, tell me, do you like the food I made for you?
Let me ask you a question first. Was anything remaining in the plate?
Oh my goodness.
You know, sometimes I want to sometimes fail you cook better than my mom. Oh. No. Oh my goodness. Delicious meal, I must confess.
Thank you.
So, that reminds me. I'll be embarking on a trip early next week.
Oh, not again. Not again, babe. Not again. You know I'll miss you.
I'll miss you more. But not to worry. I'll be back in a jiffy. I mean, before you know it. I'm back.
I'm not happy, but safe trip when you go.
Not so soon. No safe trip yet. You know what? I'll sure come back and see you before I'm back on the trip.
Oh.
So don't miss me yet.
Oh, that's so good. Please do, because I'll be going to the village soon.
Village? For what? Hope all is well.
All is well, just to go see my family.
Family? That's okay. Come on. Ooh, miss you, baby.
Same here.
Mama, I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see my friend. She is back.
Which of your friends? Because I know you are supposed to go to the workshop to be with your father.
I want to go and see Chacha, my friend. It's very important I see her, Mama.
Chacha?
Yes, Mama.
Which of your friends goes by the name Chacha that I don't know?
Mama, the one that gave me the money I added for your treatment.
Oh, one more.
Yes.
Izuku, is she the one?
Yes, Mama.
Ha! Okay. In that case, you have to go and see her. And if possible, invite her home so that we can show our appreciation to her.
Okay, Mama.
Is Mama Kobo?
Yes, she is, Mama.
You can go.
Okay,
close the door for me.
Okay, Mama. I will be back soon, Mama.
You have to because you still have to go to your father's workshop. He will be waiting for you there.
Okay, Mama. I'm coming.
Kasike,
Okay, Mama.
tell her your mother greeted her, eh?
Okay, Mama.
Oh, it's Mama.
You are looking so good. It's not charity. From today, it's cha-cha, no more charity. I'm not a city girl. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. You are looking so fresh in less than 1 year you left to Lagos. Yes, so my dear, it's the Lord's doing. I can see that. So, and you are not looking bad yourself. I beg, I thank God beg you, don't insult me. I thank God beg you. No, where are you heading to? Oh, I was actually going to your house. My house? I'm going to yours. What a coincidence. So let's go now. Before that, you need to tell me what is going on. Give me gist about the city because my ear is aching to hear the gist. Please, let's go somewhere quiet and sit so you can gist. I will tell you everything you need to do. Can I go to my house? Yes, so let's go and gist now. Hey, eat joke.
Hello.
Oh, good day, Papa.
Hey, my friend, how you there?
Fine, oh,
You came around?
Yes, I did.
How business?
Fine, we thank God.
Okay. What didn't carry you come?
I think when Carry come to say, I won't make you fix my 2 tires for my car.
Okay. Look, what kind of car?
It's just ordinary range now.
Where are they?
They park somewhere there now.
Okay. The thing be say, I know if you leave my shop to go fix some. My daughter know they here. Unless you go wait, go and come back, or wait until she comes.
Papa.
You know that the place where they know far.
I no go fit wait. I dey in a hurry. Time's against me.
Oh.
Sorry, I beg, make I dey go.
Hey! Monkey na adaka ewoli ike molo we tie maku n'ishi. What is she doing at home? She's made me lose another customer. I'm not happy. Okay, let her go and come back. What kind of rubbish is this? Losing 2 customers. Eh? Hey. Adaka na monkey ewoli ike molo we tie maku n'ishi. Eh?
Ada, ne, don't you want to leave this village?
No. I haven't thought about that. But why do you ask?
If you're given the opportunity to leave this village, will you leave the village?
Of course, I will. But first, what do you do in the city?
I work in a mechanic shop in the city.
Really?
What?
Charity. You mechanic.
Charity.
Chacha! When did you learn how to repair cars?
I knew you were going to say that.
Yes.
It's a long story. Don't worry, with time you get to know everything. Alright? If you're interested in leaving this village, I could take you along with me. You go and work in the mechanic workshop in the city. And you know, you're very, very good in repairs, Ada. Trust me. That's what you do here in the village with your father.
Of course.
So it's an added advantage for you. You go blow for city now.
You mean you want me to travel to the city with you? To go and start fixing cars?
Hey! Oh,
Yes.
thank you. I
so
want you to travel with me. Or you don't want to go?
Why not? Because I want to go. Because I want to go. I die in the city.
Yes, so.
Thank God, though.
Okay, so if you're serious and you want to go, Monday, I enjoy.
Monday.
Move on.
Monday,
Yes.
Hey! See Adasi City, oh. See Adasi City. My parents will be so excited about this news. I can't wait to break it to them.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you, Shari. Thank you, Chacha. Chacha.
You and this charity. Talking about your parents, how is your mom?
She is fine now. All thanks to you.
You don't do now. I mean, that's really say thank you. Can I go and see her?
Of course. She's even expecting.
Yeah! Let's go! You're welcome, oh. Thank you. You're welcome. Hold on, I'm coming. Mama, come, oh. Come, we have visitor. Very important visitor, Mama, come.
Hey! Indeed, we have a visitor.
Yes, Mama.
Greeting, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine,
You're
Ma.
welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Ma.
Come up now.
Yes, oh.
Mama, you're welcome.
Mama, her name is Chacha. She's the one I was telling you about.
She's the
one that gave us that money we used to pay your hospital.
You told me already. Nemo, you're welcome, my daughter. Yes. Thank you. Yes, ma. My God will bless you.
Amen.
My God will increase you.
Amen.
He will really decorate your life for all the good things you did for me. You will not lack any good thing on one. Hey.
Mama, don't worry yourself now. She has been my friend for years and my very good friend for that matter. If she's in my position, she would do just the same for me.
I do.
Mama.
My daughter, go sit down. Oh, let me bring something for you to eat.
Don't worry yourself. I ate before coming out.
I don't care. Even if you like, eat all the food in the world.
Yes,
you must eat from me. I was the one that told my daughter to bring you.
Very important.
Go to the kitchen. I've already warmed the soup.
With that cassava.
Get the soup and the fufu.
Yes, Mama.
Get water. I even have small drink.
Don't go anywhere, I'm coming back.
Even if it's water, anything, just be drinking it.
Okay, Mama, I'm coming. Don't go back everything. I'm coming.
So how is your parents?
They are fine, ma. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, Mama, you're shining.
Babe?
Yeah, babe.
Your phone has been ringing.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Why didn't you pick the call? Why did you cut the call?
It's not an important and I can always call the person back later. Don't worry.
Oh, your phone is ringing again. Pick your call.
Don't worry. I'll just call the person.
Go ahead and pick it. Put it and speak out.
Call.
Speak out.
Hi, baby. Where are you? I have been waiting for you in this hotel for God knows how long. Now listen, if I don't see you in the next 30 minutes, just kiss this relationship. Goodbye.
I can explain this. I can explain
If
this.
you open that your stupid mouth to call me babe again, you will not believe what I'll do to you. So this is it. This is what I'm getting from you. After all I've done for you. This is what I'm getting in return. You're very ungrateful. So this is who you are. Wow.
I'm so sorry. I'm so...
You know what?
Please, I can explain this. Please, please.
I'm done.
No, baby. My love, please.
I see the service your motor. Change your oil. Mama Julie, you know. It might be fun. I see the service your motor. Top of oil. Mama Capanco. Come call give fun. Money for handbag for good.
How are you, my girls?
We still.
As you can see, I'm fine. Just look at pretty. Look at how you people are looking.
Check me out now.
Nigeria now.
Everywhere sound.
Nigeria.
I'm gonna know.
What's up?
What's wrong with your car?
Oh, the car. I don't really know what is wrong with this car, but the car has been jerking.
Like
Jerking.
We go run now.
Move on.
Wait. Where is Shaggy?
Shaggy dey here now.
My personal person.
My chief.
How are you?
Chief, wetin dey solve that? Wetin dey do the motor?
The car just developed some fault, and if I'm driving, the car will be jerking.
Dey jerk.
Yeah.
I walk now. We dey run am now. Go tidy am. Come, give me whisper now.
I don't understand you.
Who you call the send message now? You don't dey proof.
Last una no go learn work.
You don't work, pastor. You don't work, pastor.
If I enter here, I don't understand. Chief Afa. Chief no take care of you.
See. I don't want to sit down today. I have an appointment of catch up with.
Chief, a couple of appointments. See, Chief, how you go see? No, man. Chief, how you go see babes? When Soji like us, can't leave us, can't they go appointment? Who bought that appointment?
But you know,
that appointment don't pass.
But you know what I'm capable of doing. But for today,
Chief, just a fling with us. When you change oil, Chief, as I see you like this, you shrink. Come on, oil. Come.
I see the service your motor. Change your oil, Lord.
Chief, wait for Palliative chief. Chief, are you not hot? Wait. Hey, you're not supposed to be hot when we are here. White beers are the sweetest. Chief. You know. No, I want to go from inside. I know what you like, baby. Come to me.
Shaggy. See, make I tell you on how these girls make Chief give them extra money and they don't show me love. You go pay me well, oh. Okay, we'll come you. Piro, no problem when I get, with how you they cap sometimes. Okay, as you see those girls now, and they like people get sense. I see them they jump, they do on top Chief body. If follow them they jump. You say now with you go talk this. Me I no say now with you go talk this. You don't always talk spoil. I tell you say they go give me my own share. If you don't want collect, I go collect. Me I know what thing that they do. No wahala. Make I see as those girls we don't know how to talk to person will give you. How they will give you robbers now? Make I see. See this go one. Finish your work. She say you know what thing then no. No worry.
Chief, no. Chief. Hello, original. Original, not some lakey kind of shit.
Chief is enjoying.
You know what?
Let you do it. Wow. Whoa. Chief.
I have this. You can have this.
Chief, I am here. The only recognized chief.
Every other chief na counterfeit.
Chief, you see you. After you now you know the drug I'm
Give it
to
me here, baby.
Your father. Chief.
Chief, when are you coming back?
You know what?
What?
When I'm done with my appointment,
Okay.
I'm coming back to spoil you girls a little.
Hey, Chief, you see that word, a little? Me and they get problems. It's where they born me. I hate that word. Little. I like the word big. I see little.
You know why? Because all of us here we big.
Yes, nah.
In fact, you sit down here. Don't they make grandma? Don't they sleep? They draw like okra. You understand? We can't wait to have you back.
All right. I will come back and spoil you girls plenty.
Piano. Chief.
That reminds me. I have not seen Chacha since I came.
Chacha is on leave. She'll be back next week.
Yes.
Oh, that's all right.
Forget Chacha now. You are here for you.
Next week you said.
Yeah.
All right. I have to go back and see if this boy has finished the car.
I like white there. I like them white.
Thank you, baby. Let me go now.
Please don't wait for the meeting to be over, okay?
No problem.
Be waiting.
You know what I'm capable of doing.
I'm gonna take care of you.
Baby, I'm coming back.
I'm going to be a team.
No, now when I come back.
Chief. My jet. See free money. Money where they don't suffer.
This man, my girl, just small touch. Small touch. He emptied his pocket.
$200 they cry for her.
Move forward. Guy man work.
I didn't test you.
Just small thing any touching. I man they drop dollars. Okay.
Martin, this man don't come.
I say no.
How you take no? Not me they here. Not me they run am. You see, you're not supposed to give me $100 each because let me do the work. Let me go down. Let me go down below. I go down below.
Papa, Mama,
No.
I called both of you to inform you about my friend Chacha. She wants me to travel to the city with her. And you know I have to go so I can be able to get a better job to take care of both of you. You know you're not getting any younger. And I'm your only child. So I have to do everything within my power so I can be able to take good care of both of you.
It's okay. She told you this. This is good. Nah. Did you hear what our daughter just said?
I heard her.
What do you have to say to her suggestions?
What do I have to say if not to thank God for such a blessing?
Yes.
My daughter, thank you very much. It's good you're thinking about our well-being as parents who are advanced in age. But what I am thanking God again is that it will enable you to be independent.
Yes.
You are no longer a beggar. And I'm happy you have such a good friend who thinks above herself, including you.
No, this girl she's talking about, Chacha, was the same girl that added money for my treatment.
Oh, Nyamelo.
It's so cool.
What a very good companion.
Yes.
We tell her that your parents are happy when they got the news. That she should keep it up.
Yes.
One good point I like about you is that you have a history of humility, being humble to your parents. That's why the rapport has gone on over the years.
Yes.
I love you, my daughter.
What your father has said.
I love you.
Now, rap go to love, I can just city. Rap go there.
Anyway, from my heart.
I'm a more. You love from why I got love where. Let me, my daughter. I pray that before.
Let me
advise our daughter because I pray that you get to work fast.
Yes,
So you just try and start with small jobs.
Yes.
Don't aim at the big ones so that you won't lose all of them at the same time. And secondly, I don't want you to become a liability to your friend. She's the only one you have in the city. You can be bringing in your own 1 naira. So get the small job that you'll be earning small money to assist her before the big one. You know, go. And remember that your father said he blessed your friend also.
I will tell her, Mama. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Adao, may our Chi continue to protect you.
Yes.
May you continue to escape bad companions.
Yes.
And having lived an honest life and avoided bad people, kadaka na monkey gali iwe ike na womolomolo tiako no isige. And no go
yes, Papa.
You'll go well.
Thank you,
You'll
Papa.
end up well.
Thank you, Papa.
Amen.
Omali Chadam.
Mama.
Mwambu na for more.
No.
You know you are the only one. Yes. Shall be well with you on this trip.
Amen.
But don't forget all I have said to you. Yes. No matter what, don't forget where you come from.
Of course, Mama.
Very important, very important.
I will not forget, Mama. I will do everything within my power to make you both proud. Let me quickly go. Chacha will be waiting for me.
Okay.
It's okay. Just be careful.
Yes, Mama.
Remember all I said. I will not lose it to the city.
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
I will not lose it to the city.
Yes, Mama.
You will come back to me. No matter the situation. Yes. If it's not working, come back.
Yes,
I will still receive you. Oh?
Yes, Mama.
It's well. Oh?
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Well with you. Oh?
Yes, Mama.
Ijoma. Oh?
Yes.
Don't cry. I'm fine. I'll be fine. Bye-bye. Badanya. Oh? Bye-bye. Go, rush. So that you don't miss her. Kasike. Ijoma. Oh? It shall be well with you. Gaba Kasibike. Kasike. You will not miss your mark. I will be praying for you day and night. I will be praying. You must succeed in that city. We others have gone and failed. You will go there, you will succeed. Oh? In Jesus' name. Ijoma Nwam.
Chief.
Don't tell me you have not been able to dictate what is wrong with this car.
Chris, me, Shaggy. I don't run the motor. Chief, as this motor now, you don't position where they game now. Now test I be one go test them before you come in.
That's all right.
But if you doubt me now, if you run and check.
You mean I won't experience that jacking again?
Thunder fire jacking. Just you walk. What be jacking? When I touch motor. I run out. Now soft talk. Now we don't run out. Start them. Confirm. Yeah, Belema here. Take a easy, come front. Hold on. Now fire, make a yara. Now I walk. You don't see her now. Chief. Run sharply. You don't see him now. All the nozzle, I don't service him. I see matcha, they answer you. Yes. I beg, make a foreign chief. I don't get joy.
Ada, this one you're looking all dressed up and you're carrying your luggage. Where are you going to?
I'm heading to the city.
City? Really?
I was actually on my way to your house to plead with you to assist me in taking care of my parents. But now I will not be around for now. Please.
It's not a problem now. What are friends for? I'll do it.
Oh, serious? Thank you. Thank you so much. You are really a friend indeed. Thank you. I was actually on my way to your house to...
So when you are going to the city, Ada, don't forget about me. Oh. Don't leave me in this village. Oh.
I will not forget about you, okay? Once I succeed in the city, I'll come to the village and take you with me.
Huh? Hey, I can't wait to chai. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me go. My friend is waiting for me.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Oh, bye-bye. Don't forget me, Ada.
I will not.
Bye-bye.
Welcome to my house. Come, make yourself comfortable.
Hey, Chacha, don't tell me this is where you live. Hey?
Of course, this is where I live. You don't like it?
Of course I love it. It's so big. Chirekwa, wait. Do you live here alone?
Of course I live alone. Ada. I live alone.
Look at my friend. This place is so beautiful. And it's big.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, my darling. It's enough. Too many questions. You know what?
Yes.
Just relax. Let me go fix something for us to eat. You know, it's been a long day, so just relax. And the bag. You can bring it.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah, wah.
Give them.
Wah.
That's what I mean.
Wah.
I
say,
wah.
See now, this thing no be the right song one supposed to say.
Okay, why here?
Make I give you now this song now.
Nobody.
She no get nyash, she no get breast. Which kind of one we never see? She no get breast, she no get nyash. Which kind?
Wow.
She no get nyash, she no get breast.
I tell you. Hey guys, what's up? What's up, girls?
We did welcome back.
What's happening now?
I'm saying much just a hot and here for this sort of thing.
I don't get a choice, you know. Hey,
wow, this is large.
This is large. So Ada, this is where I work.
Wow! It's large. It's far more bigger than my father's
workshop in the village.
Of course. What do you expect now? This is city, so it should be.
Wow.
Now mechanic daughter be this.
Good morning, all.
Ada, this is where I work. And this is row.
Oh, Tata, now if you want to introduce me well now. Wait till they play. See one. Let me be Piro Asa. See with the tight, with the loose. Anything where you want.
You don't do. You don't do.
In case you want to change your oil, I dey again.
I don't mind now. And this is Shaggy. These are the hot chicks. Now we the baddest chicks in town.
Now we dey here.
Tasha, Love It, and Chantal.
Peace out.
And this is my friend Ada. She came from the village, and yeah, she's gonna work here with us. She's very, very fantastic, good at repairs. And her father owns a shop in the village.
Nice to meet you all.
That's why her hands are very strong.
And what is going on here? What is going on here?
Madam, go!
Good morning. I said, what is going on here?
Nothing, ma. We dey okay.
Very well then.
Go back to your various duties. It's too early for gossips.
Don't talk. Madam, don't talk. Get busy. Madam, say make you.
And when you heard this, you get back there. Get back there. What has come over you? Have you lost this, madam?
Oh, no, you put no way on go. Madam, do good.
Go work. Go repair. Repair with. Madam, wait till they spoil happiness. Which kind of man did you do? Don't worry, I hate it all here.
Madam is a joy killer.
Oh yeah. Wow. Get.
See, madam. See. Even the ones who don't get that.
Mumu, let me get introduced to our madam.
See, Chacha, you go still carry this.
Leave me alone. Don't talk to me.
You carry and come. Oh, we know how to do it.
One thing they vex me is, you know, even carry better person. Because na mechanic, you carry come mechanic in the shop.
Oh, God.
Man, they say na visit, the girl come visit.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma.
Yeah, good morning.
Ma, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay. Now have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you, ma. Ma, this is my friend Ada. She just came from the village. Yeah, and she's looking for a job desperately. And I'm wondering if you could please employ her to work here because she's so very good with repairs. Yes, even her father has a workshop in the village, a mechanic workshop, yeah.
Really? Yes. You just said that she's good.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I can repair any kind of car, ma.
Oh.
Yes, any kind.
For real?
Yes, ma.
In that case, let her work with us.
Ma, does it mean I have been employed?
You have the job. No. As for your salary, we'll talk about it later. But you do not have any problem.
Yes, ma.
So, Ada, you are welcome to our company.
Thank you, ma. God will bless you, ma. Thank you.
Chacha,
ma.
Ensure you teach her all she needs to know on how we run our company. You know exactly what I mean.
Yes, ma'am.
So take her to the changing room and get her overall to change. I need her to start work immediately.
Okay, ma'am.
If possible, let her start with that red Mercedes. Oh. Okay? Yes, the gearbox is having small problem. She needs to service it, then work on probably change the piston and rings.
Oh yeah.
Yes, you know exactly what to do. Let me see what she's capable of doing.
Oh, don't worry, ma.
All
She's
right.
good.
Yeah,
Right.
you can go with her. Are you all right?
No, I'm fine, ma.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil, I see the service your motor. Top of oil. Come color give fanalo. Money
What is it, Ada?
What does she mean by you teaching me all I need to know about how you run this company? Is there something else going on here, aside from repairing of cars?
Ada, I will tell you everything you need to know. But for now, let's go and change, okay?
No, I won't. I won't change. Tell me what is going on first, please. I need to know.
Ada, I said I will tell you everything you need to know. Everything, just everything. But now we need to go and change. I have a job to do. Like I'm rushing. This is an instruction. Let's go and change. Let's go.
Come call give money for hand back for good and
This is not just a workshop. Just take a look. We do a lot here. Just look around. Or haven't you wondered why we don't dress like the regular mechanics out there? Ada, now listen. The reason why I dressed you, the reason why you dressed this sexy this way, and look at the beautiful hair I gave you so that you can look good to attract men. Yes, the reason why we dress like this is to attract men that come to this place to fix their cars. We even go as far as going out to look for customers to come repair their cars here. And when one of them, any of them like us, we make them pay good money.
This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. You mean you brought me here to do this? No! No!
What do you mean by that? What exactly do you mean by that? See, you see this place? Girls are begging. Like they come here regularly begging on their knees for them to work here. And you have the opportunity to come here and you're saying this. See, if you don't want it, you can go back to the village and remain there. Okay? You can go back to the village and remain a local champion.
Okay. Okay, fine. I will work here. But I am not going to get involved in all those things you just mentioned. No, I will not. I am a well-trained mechanic by my father. Yes, I'm going to use those skills very well. I can't get involved in all those things. I can't.
Well-trained mechanic.
What is funny? Why are you laughing? Yes, he trained me very well.
Ada.
Yes.
Now you sabi. Let's go and join other girls. Well-trained mechanic.
I see the service your motor. It up kwa oil. Waka kwanko. Come call give fanalo. Money for hand back for good and
Now you can phone. Let me talk to her now. You have been holding the phone, not talking.
Hello, Papa.
Adao. It's your mother.
Oh, Mama. Mama, good morning.
Adam, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. I've missed you.
I miss you so much, Ada. What is happening? For some time you have not called me. You've not called me since. Neither have you called any of us. Ogidi, we have been worried sick about you. Why won't you call us?
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that, Mama. Mama, if you see the fine overall they gave me, like that Papa's own.
Ezioku, I know it will fit you. I hope you're looking very beautiful in it. Yes, and the trouser sized you. I hope you button the zip up to your chest area.
Yes, Mama. Mama, please, can you give Papa the phone? I want to speak to him.
Okay, let me give him phone. Ada wants to talk to you.
Give me. Anytime she wants to talk to me, you take the phone. You want to talk to Amara, you snatch the phone. Are you a phone snatcher?
Oh, Fancha.
Ada, please don't mind me. It's your mother. always wanting to dominate in communication, dominating this and this and that. I hope you are doing well.
I'm fine too.
Oh, okay. We are okay, managing.
Papa, you know I just resumed, but everything is fine. By the grace of God, everything is fine.
Oh, okay. That's beautiful. Oh, good. Your employers will be happy with you. Diligent worker. You're very good in everything. Okay.
Papa, I will. Please greet Mama for me and my friend Amara when she visits. Please, just greet them for me and take good care of yourself. Oh.
Okay. Why not? Why not? I'll do that. Oh, my daughter, keep on being good. Well, yeah, we'll talk next time. Thank you. Oh.
All right, Papa. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay, hold it now. You're giving me phone.
You're showing that you love our daughter more than I love her.
You love her most. Hold phone.
Hold
phone. Answer the call. Put it in your ears.
Money for hand back for good and hey, go money for hand back for good and only money for na losing. Finish you. Jay, this one is a sexy mechanic.
How's it going, Ada?
It's going well. I'm almost done, eh?
I trust you now.
Okay. Such a cute and
Oga, come and start your car. Oga, come and start your car. I'm done.
Ada, no. You don't finish.
Yeah. I don't finish.
Oh God, they said they don't finish your car. They go start your car. Now you get them.
I wish I can stay a little more, you know?
Okay, we mind do. We mind. Come and start your car.
Mind.
Now car you can repair, not be to look nyash and breast.
Ada.
Yes, come and start your car. Okay, start the car. I'm done.
Okay, close your zip.
You're right about her. She's really good. I told you. Start the car, Oga.
I trust you now. You too much.
Yes, sir.
I know what you can do. I trust you.
I love this.
Thank you, sir.
I love this.
Thank you, sir.
So how much?
Come on, will you shut up? You shut up there. It's just 30,000 naira only. We will collect you. Exactly. But you know, you can add something, you know, for the girls if you want. I am attack house. Oh. Wow. See our money. See our money. I okay, sir. Yes, sir. Money. Money. What did they look? Yes, they look. Bye. Come again, no. Yeah. Hey. What was the meaning of that? Abobi, how you take it? So if you know they here like this, that's why you for take this man's price. When you come, when they carry you come to the shop.
I don't understand.
How will you understand? How?
Don't mind this stupid village local champion. How dare you call me that? You didn't mean. What my day say you dey crazy?
Beg you, men are not killer for you. I dey caution man. You don't get respect. Men are not killer for me. You don't get respect again, Abi. You because then you just do one guy, you dey poof. Guy, if I forget my hand for your face, put them through. Look at this one. Come my yard.
Mechanic, you walk a shop. Whether you like them or not, you must pay the money. Yeah, I see they service your motor. Change your oil.
Madam, they vex so.
Shanti, what is it?
No be that stupid village girl where Chacha carry come. I don't know that girl they smoke water.
Did she not fix the car well?
Madam, she fixed the car well. But the problem is that she can't reason the man. They tell her say no supposed they watch us. Say making waka, me just pay us waka they go. Which kind of parole be that one now?
She did that.
She did it.
You know what? Don't worry, eh? I will handle her.
I bet can't handle her.
Shanti, tell me, how much did the man drop?
Madam, it's like money. Now 30K.
Are you with the money?
Sure? It's my pocket too.
It's okay. I will handle that little rat.
I better stand up already because they handle her.
It's okay. You know your temper is always high. Do not fight in my workshop, okay? Do not fight. I will handle her. Can you imagine? Oh, she think that we fellowship here.
Wait, Chacha, how much that man pay you?
50K now. 30K for madam. 20K for the girls.
What? What I did in that car is not even up to 5,000 naira. Not to talk of 50,000. Are you serious?
Oh, Ada, what did they worry you? What is 50,000 naira, big kunu? What is just that 50? That is no money now. You don't know how we run things here. I did tell you make you calm down, make you they see how we they run things for this place. See, some people they come here, they will pay 100K for something that is not even worth up to 10,000 naira. This one bring 50K. Blah, blah, blah. Calm down, they lose. Where is that stupid girl? Where is that animal that call herself Ada or what? And you go, come on, you can keep your greetings to yourself. And who gave you the right to talk to my customer in such manner? Are you mad? Are you insane? Sorry, ma. Yeah, you keep your sorry to yourself. I don't need it. How do you think I got the money to build this big workshop and still have all that space that I rented out to other mechanics? Do you know that this place is 4 acres of land? Do you know how much I spent? Sorry, ma'am. Or do you think that here is your father's mechanic, your local mechanic in the village? Look at her. And I thought I asked you to educate her how we run things here. How much did he pay? 30,000 naira, ma. Let me have the money. Oh yes, I was even about to bring it to you, ma. No problem, I'm already here. Let me have it. Are you sure it's complete? Yes, ma. Idiot. I'm sorry. Check your pocket very well. It's complete. The next time you try this, just kiss your job goodbye. Don't try me. We are sorry, ma. Look at her. Sorry, ma. Stupid girl. And where is what's his name? You know they ever hear. I'm going to teach you something. You know go learn. You bring my leg out for this place. You know they hear. They look me.
Change your oil, I see the service your motor. Top oil. Come call give fanal. Money for hand back for good and hey, go Jesus money for hand back for good and do. Only money fanal.
What are you doing here? I thought I warned you never to step your feet into this compound anymore.
My darling, please. I'm so sorry.
Hey, never you call me that again. Go back to your secret lover, okay? It's over between us.
Baby,
hey,
my
come
darling, please. Hear me out. Just listen to me, please.
Where did you go to leaving my gate open for this hole to come into my compound?
Okay, I beg. I dey hungry. I go buy what I go chop. I beg.
Next time this happens, I am going to sack you from that place. Do you understand? Now push out.
My darling, please.
I beg you, take out of this compound.
You're going to regret this.
I beg go.
Don't you dare touch me.
Ow, go.
Don't touch me.
Go. I know you will go.
Baby, please. Just listen to me.
Go now,
Don't you dare touch me.
My job now, they go now, please. They go.
Wait.
They go now.
Wait.
Babes. I called this brief meeting because I want us to be our brother's keeper. Yeah, irrespective of the fact that we came from different villages.
And it's basically because of my friend here, Ada. You guys know, say, Ada dey new for this town. She's new to this thing and she doesn't know anything that we do here in our workshop. So please, I want you babes to please try and cope with her.
Cope with her?
Yeah.
You know what they say, far away come area no. If they use one leg, they stand. Tell her make she no use her two left legs, they stand though. Make she watch her mouth, if not she go contact.
Calm down, girl.
See, hey, babes. You know say me, normally, if you to tell local, I hate it with passion. I hate it. I go straight, bah! I dey enter net. I know they go through corner. I dey talk am as CP.
Talk wetin you want talk.
Hey, babe, I dey vex now. On how this girl take day. She no say she no wan join us, but she dey on her day. You say dinging something. We not force her, make she join wetin we dey do. I dey vex now.
Na true na she dey talk, na true.
And yeah, gone dey spoil things for person.
Please, I want to apologize. I'm so sorry for everything. And I promise I will not meddle in your affairs.
I don't hear her. She did
correct girl.
She dey speak English, meddle in your affairs. Oh, wow, we dey.
Calm down. Let's go back to our work.
When they even give her fitted, make she wear. I even oversized outfit, and they forgive her. Your dress
because she just come.
I don't understand.
They can't give her.
I see the service your motor. Change your oil. Mama Julie Juno. Emma Quifanalo. I see the service your motor. It's up for oil.
Make I not hear your mouth today. Make I not hear your mouth today.
You can't even clean for me.
I wonder why Madam Dogood not even come today, sef. Wait. Piro, what did you talk now? I don't understand how that thing we talk now. Take lap well for your ear. If Madam Dogood come, you know say things go spoil. As it be now, anything when we arrange for ourselves, we go split them into two seconds.
My brother, you'll live long to see your children.
That one day, Sha. That one day, Sha. Now if some busybody people, you know, say some girls here, their body today, make them no go do amebo. If they don't know.
Hey! Obiadima, you say what? No, talk am again. Amebo. No, you don't say I dey like go straight. I know they cut through corner. If you know as it be, just talk am like that. Who are the people where they do amebo for this place? Because all man for himself and everybody there on their day for this workshop. So how you take beer, Bobby?
Come on, keep quiet. Or how it take day. I dey talk to you. I call your name. You go sit down where make your bishop fire. See, if not be saying my spec or how you get breaks or how you get big breaks, I forgive you points for it. The craze.
See, guy, as you see me like this, I don't get short. I don't fear you. If the man and the woman
this one
down.
A sexy mechanic you walk a shop. Whether you like them or not, you must pay the money. Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil. Mama Julie Juno. Emma Quifanalo.
How do you? Why are you so perfect in this? How do you do it? Do you want me to teach you? Teach me, oh. Yeah, I want to, like genuinely, I want to learn how to do this. I will. I will.
I'm hungry. I don't know if you can borrow me some money. Let me go get something to eat, please.
How much do you want?
200 naira is fine.
200 naira.
Let me use it and go down and buy that okpa.
I thought you want to say something better. That's chicken change now. 200. Wait. 200. Oh yeah, 1K. Go and get yourself something.
1,000 naira. Thank you. Thank you so much. God will bless you. Thank you.
God bless you. You're welcome. Are you going alone? Should I follow you?
No, don't worry.
Don't get lost, so.
I will not. Let me quickly go change and wear something else and I will go get it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right. Go do that.
This one a sexy mechanic, you walk a shop. Whether you like them or not, you must pay the money. Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil, Mumma Julie, you know. It might be final. I see the service your motor. Top of oil, Mumma Kapanko.
Excuse me, sir. Is something wrong with your car?
Oh yeah, as you can see, it's not just starting.
It's not starting?
Yeah.
Would you mind if I take a look?
I don't understand. Are you a mechanic?
Of course I'm a mechanic, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
You're a mechanic?
Yes, sir. Can I take a look at the car?
Oh, okay.
Okay, sir. Oh. Oga? Yeah, your oil.
Did what?
Yeah, it's almost finished. When did you change it last?
I don't normally do that. I call my mechanic to always check on that. I can't remember the last time I touched it. Yeah.
You need to top up the oil. You need to change it entirely. Yes.
Okay.
Can you start it? Let's see.
Okay.
Yes, start.
Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil, Mumma Julie, you know. It might be final. I see the service your motor. Top of oil, Mumma Kapanko. Come
Okay.
It's not just coming up.
It's not coming up?
Yeah.
Okay, the dash...
And there's no light on the dashboard at all?
No light at all?
No.
Okay, that means it should be battery.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, let me quickly go to our workshop and get battery for you.
Are you going to do that?
I'll have to suspend where I'm going to do that for you, sir.
Okay. I'll wait then.
Just give me a minute, I'll be back, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, right, sir. I see the service your motor. Change your oil, Mumma Julie, you know. It might be final. I see the service your motor. Top of oil, Mumma Kapanko. Come give final. Money for hand, back for good and
I'm coming.
Money for hand, back for good and do.
Who be this thing supposed to enter here? Piro.
Wait to this. The shop say no, madam do good bad with this girl. They go sell soap.
Abi? Which kind of talk with that one now? She don't fit do that kind of thing now.
Chacha, don't be too sure. No, but confidence don't make a fish bend.
Wait.
Where should they go?
Wait, man, follow her up.
I they come with you.
No, come. I say they come with you. What did they do these girls?
Man, don't let the battery carry the money share.
That girl not send a battery for this shop. They go to go town.
For real? You're back. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
Start it again.
Wow, this is great.
right, sir.
This is great.
Let me close the bonnet, sir.
Okay.
Let me close the bonnet.
You're really good.
Thank you, sir.
When you said you're a mechanic, I was like, wow, what kind of mechanic is this? I've never seen. This is the first time I'm saying this.
Thank you, sir.
You're really good.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, sorry for my manners. My name is Greg.
My name is Adanne.
Adanne, nice meeting you.
Same here.
If you don't mind, can I just hang out somewhere or something?
No, sir. No, I can't do that with a stranger.
I am not a stranger. I'm a friend to you now. Okay, let me appreciate you for your. Okay. Sorry, my kind of business, I handle dollars a lot, Okay, you can still have this. Okay?
No, sir. No.
Why?
No, I don't need it, sir.
Are you still scared? I mean, I'm not a stranger to you. I'm a friend to you now. I've never experienced this before.
It's okay.
But please, I'm a friend to you now, okay? You can have this for your job well done. I just want to appreciate you, okay?
Sir, I just helped you with the battery. Anybody could have done that for you, so don't bother yourself. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay then. Okay. Where is your workshop?
Just get to that junction, take your right.
Okay.
Yeah, the mechanic. It's called the Girls Mechanic Workshop.
And your name again?
Adanne.
Adanne. Nice name. Okay, Adanne, thank you so much.
I have to be on my way because I was going to get something before. Let me return the battery.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mama Ada.
No. How are you?
I'm fine. I can see you're just returning from the market.
Yes, my dear.
How is your husband?
My husband is
Ada?
fine. They are all fine. We are all doing fine. And your family?
They are fine, no. Hey, Ada is a very nice girl. City girl. God has really blessed you with a good child.
Glory to God.
I wish all the girls in this village could just learn from her. She's a good example.
Thank you so much. Dalso. Thank you. Actually, I went to buy some food stuff to prepare for my husband. I know by now you should be hungry at the workshop. So let me go home and prepare something for you.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much for your comment.
You're welcome.
All
right.
Well, let me rush.
Yes, your body, you go find you.
Wait here.
Understand.
Why are they parents? You don't send the battery.
Do you get? Yes! Where you go?
You mean you talk to me, just to bank me back with me.
Now, what you concern you for this matter now? Then where you do? I dare be you. I be you for body now.
What did I do?
I didn't talk you, they speak English. Wait, Say this happen now. Hey, God. You think say we don't see you? We see everything. We see everything.
Wetin happen? We see everything. We see everything. Tell us wetin happen now.
Guys, what the matter for me for the bed?
Talk now, you don't want to talk.
Wetin happen? Talk wetin happen now.
Be your mouth fit no talk wetin your eye take see.
If you see wetin I see, you wear me nose go blast everywhere. You see this girl wey they carry from village come meet us. This girl, she carry battery go meet one Abobi. The Abobi use the battery start car. I say, this Abobi give this Mbeke huge amount of money. This Mbeke rejects the money. I dey test you.
Ma, you say?
No, I didn't do anything to deserve the money. You see why I thought I hate this girl? I only gave him battery to start his car. Anybody could have done that for him.
Don't fire you. Stop
You
You reject money.
no sense.
You reject money.
This guy entered this city for the bank with me. We go for sure come from this workshop. This is work you.
You get love say madam do good no dey. You foresee yourself.
Abeg, you too. When una calm down, abeg, excuse me.
So now you bring a phone.
I say make you calm down. Make you talk with my girl. You don't do. Let me take it off from here.
Chacha, this your girl. She get Why she take fight? She don't even get sense. But wait. As you wise rich, you say them they tender and robbers. You know you don't go there and go collect the money.
Where the guy dey make I go?
No. Hey, good thing is happening to us.
Yes.
Do you know that our daughter is now the talk in the mouth of everyone in this village.
Everywhere.
Everybody's praising our daughter.
You has become the reference point.
They are even using her as an example to their own children.
I am overjoyed because I personally trained her. Personally. I gave her this new image that she's showering in.
Okay, now, you personally trained her. Meaning that I am
I'm not excluding your contribution.
Oh, if you have a co neighbor,
no. It doesn't mean that.
Am I not a good mother to Ada?
I'm just saying that we all have done our best, but my own is like a shining to the high heavens.
I want to high heavens anything your own shine to. Both of us did the work. I did.
There's no way I'm going to forget the investment I made in her.
We both invested.
Yes,
because if she did not turn out good now, you will say like mother, like daughter. We invested.
Okay, let me say, I'm taking an accolade of 75%.
No, you will take 50, even 45. Some ways that our daughter is doing very well.
Look at those. Jocelyn over who made you what you are. We all contributed there. I should be happier because I made more contributions.
Stop saying you are.
Ada, what are you doing here? You're not sleeping.
I will sleep when it comes. But for now, I can't find one.
Is anything bothering you? Don't tell me it's about what's happened at the workshop today.
Yes, I have been thinking. Why Shanti doesn't like me? Why?
Who says Shanti doesn't like you?
But you were there when she said it. You heard it.
I heard when she said that. Yes, I heard that. But I mean, I'm sure she didn't mean it, to be honest. I mean, it's all these girls talk now. Girls, you know, girls don't hide. They talk anyhow. You know what I mean? So you don't have to start thinking about it so long, coming here to stay thinking about it. Okay? She doesn't mean it that way.
Are you sure?
I'm always sure and certain, and you know that. Anything I tell you is certain. Okay? No reason I'm that way.
Okay. You say so. No problem.
Oh yeah, let's go and sleep.
Excuse me, sir. Is something wrong with your car?
Oh yeah, as you can see, it's not just starting.
It's not starting?
Yeah.
Would you mind if I take a look?
I don't understand. Are you a mechanic?
Of course I'm a mechanic, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. My name is Adane.
Adane, nice meeting you.
Same here.
If you don't mind, can I just hang out somewhere or something?
No, sir. No, I can't do that with a stranger.
Never experienced this before.
It's okay.
But please, I'm a friend to you now, okay? You can have this. For your job well done. I just want to appreciate you, okay?
Sir, I just helped you with the battery. Anybody could have done that for you, so don't bother yourself. It's fine.
Oga, you see this me and my friend here, we sabi the work, die. Oh, you say it not be us. Who you want make you do the work?
Nah, Da, I want Ada to fix my car.
See what
Hey, come on, stop that.
We know the work.
Are you fixing my body or what?
That's to tell you say we know the work.
Very well, Asmi. Well.
I mean car, not my head. Stop.
Oh yeah, who you want make you fix the car?
Ada, where is she?
Unfortunately, she's not around.
I'll wait.
You.
Okay, Gasa.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Oh, they shine teeth. Why they shine teeth? Sir. He say he won't work, but say now you go do the work. I ask him the work where you want to. They laugh.
I'm sure you're here to change your car oil.
Yeah, I'm here to fix my car and I want you to do that for me.
No problem, sir. Let me get my tools, sir. I'm coming.
It's okay, I'll wait.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Hey!
Leave him alone.
Can you give me space now? Can you give me space?
Give him hello, give him.
He's so cute.
Oh boy.
This guy,
he's so handsome. Oh, the guy they enter my eye.
Tasha, you know they see the guy.
You know if you close them for this kind of guy, you see this one now the type with every woman go want keep to herself. They shop am alone. Make her go try myself.
No go.
Ma try my luck.
No go.
No go waiting.
Okay. Calm down to avoid embarrassment.
Which embarrassment? Calm down. I go show her like this.
They go wipe you charger cord though.
Money for handbag for good and
Hey handsome. How you doing?
Hey.
Hey. Handsome, do you like what you see? I'm gonna give it to you like this.
What is
hot,
this?
Hot.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I'm sexy, you know.
Hey, stop it. What's the problem?
Come on, don't pretend like you don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna give you...
If you don't stop this now, I'm gonna deal with you.
How?
Stop it now. What is wrong with you?
Just try to understand.
Understand what?
Shanty! What's happened? You know, mind your business. Do the mechanic work or they call you. Or they. Baby, you know, like...
If you do not stop this now, I will slap you.
Yeah.
They don't wipe and charger cord.
What's happened now?
What is your problem?
Why you gonna hit me like that? The woman beater. Say I be. Nonsense, blackie. With your fake watch and fake eyeglass. Not even be my specs. That's with your fake watch and fake eyeglass.
They don't wipe the charger cord.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry about that, sir.
It's okay, but don't call me sir. I've told you before. My name is Greg.
No problem, sir. Greg, sir. Greg. I'm almost done, sir. I'm coming.
Sir, why don't you please sit down while she's walking the car?
It's okay, I'm fine here, okay? I'm fine here.
Leave me alone.
My sister. Calm down. Yeah? Calm down. How did you do? Were you able to succeed?
See, may everybody leave me. Mona just, in fact, Mona leave me. Man, no bust here now. I bet Mona leave me.
Bossa.
Calm down.
Bossa, you know I better help me open this bonnet. Leave this girl from village and the remote.
They sue you for village.
You need to.
The wipe and charger
cord. This is a village calling. Village is calling you.
I think that guy likes you. Even if he makes advances at me, I will still not oblige him. I'm not interested.
You are not serious, are you?
I am. I'm serious.
Why?
Personal reasons.
See,
If that guy should say he likes you, don't even think about saying no. You see that guy? Lagos girls will grab him. Now hot cake be that.
Make they grab him. I am not interested. I am not. Seriously. That reminds me. How come I've never seen you with any guy? Is it that you don't have a boyfriend or what?
I have a boyfriend. I do. But my boyfriend traveled and I have not even heard from him. I've been calling his line, he's not going through, so I don't even know what is going on.
Did both of you quarrel before he traveled?
No, we didn't. Don't know.
Well, hopefully he will be back to you. That is, if he truly loves you. I'm sure he will.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Fingers crossed. Let's just hope.
Yeah.
So, how are you coping with this place?
My dear, it's not what I thought. It's not what I thought, to be honest. It's harder than I thought, rather.
Don't worry.
It's harder than I thought.
You'll be fine, yeah?
Chacha, you look tired and worried at the same time. Is everything all right?
I've been thinking about what you said at the workshop.
I said many things. Which of them in particular?
What you said about Stephen and I, that we might be having quarrel before he traveled, and probably that's why he hasn't even called, you know.
No, I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean it that way at all.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
I've been, thinking about this, and I just wanted to find out, asking a man money so much can turn his attention from one.
In most cases, yes. That is where girls of nowadays miss it. For the fact that your man is rich does not mean you should constantly ask him for money. No. Most men get tired, and before you know it, they will turn their attention to someone else. Yes. Men want a lady who can bring something to the table, not the one that constantly takes from the table. That is why I find it hard to accept anything from a man. That's why you see me working hard. And I will continue to work hard until I make enough money to support my man. Are you alright? Did I say anything bad?
You didn't say anything wrong.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Ada? Ada?
Yes, there.
Your phone is ringing there.
Oh.
It's my mother.
Oh. Mama, good morning. How are you doing? And how is Papa?
But your father is fine. He's here preparing to go to work.
Yes,
Okay, I hope both of you are fine.
Both of us are fine. We're doing good. We're just worried about you. How are you?
Hey, Mama, I'm fine. I'm also getting ready for work.
Oh,
yeah.
Good.
Hey, Mama, can you give the phone to Papa?
Okay. Nah, your daughter wants to talk with you.
Very good. Adanyo.
Hey, hello, Papa. Papa, good morning.
Good morning. Anemekwa, how are you?
I'm fine, Papa, and Lagos is fine.
Lagos, Lagos, oh.
How is everything, Papa? Papa, can you give the phone to Mama, please?
Yeah, okay. Take.
Okay.
Thank you.
Adao, ne.
Mama, they will soon pay us salary and I will send some money to you and Papa.
Ezoku. Hey, Ozubo Olugoli. Hi, ne. Thank you so much. That would be so nice.
No problem. No problem, Mama.
Hey, Nai. You said that he will give us money as soon as she receives her salary.
Hey, our chi is awake always.
Please, do take care of yourself and Papa too, okay?
It's okay.
Alright, Mama. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mom. God, expecting to hear from you soon.
Yes,
sir.
Look at how happy you are. How are they? They are fine. Yes, let me get my bag and my shoe so we can go. You're ready to go? Yes, I am.
Bye. This is so awesome.
So soon.
Yeah? She promised to send us money as soon as she's paid her first salary.
People will definitely be jealous of this kind of daughter for us.
Remember she said she will always take care of us. That was what she told us when she was going.
Mama, this one you and Papa are very excited this morning. My ears are itching. What's the secret?
We just finished speaking with Ada.
Ada?
Our daughter.
Your friend.
Your friend. Yeah, she called.
Ma, you didn't allow me to speak with her. It's not
You
fair.
were not here. You were not here, my daughter. You couldn't talk with her because you were not here already. But don't worry. I will still call her. Oh?
You couldn't have been here and there at the same time. There'll be other times. You're covered. Don't worry.
You promise?
I promise you.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Take the water inside and...
I want to go and prepare something for you and Papa to eat when you return.
That's my girl. Anyway, thank you for fetching water for us. You know, I am so happy. When you finish, you lock my door. Oh? Okay. You might buy a debe key. Keep it there.
It's your duty.
Okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
Close the door when you are gone, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Are you going to school?
Sir?
Are you going to school?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, bros, yeah.
Oh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Ada, Bros here has been waiting for you. In fact, we came here and met him. He said he wants to see you.
I hope all is well, sir.
Yes, all is well. I just came to see you. Can we talk aside?
Good morning, sir.
It's
Pardon
okay.
my manners.
It's okay. Can we talk aside, please?
Okay, sir, no problem.
See, everything is all right, okay? So, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hey, come on. No, sir. Okay, I told you my name is Greg.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, Greg.
Good.
What can I do for you? Is your car faulty again?
No. You did an excellent job the last time. Okay, I'm not here to fix my car. Yes, I'm here to see you. You know, I have been thinking about you.
I hope all is well, sir.
All is well, all is well. You know, since I set my eyes on you, I couldn't just sleep. I've not been feeling fine, and I've never felt like this in my whole life. The way I felt the day I met you. You know, I couldn't just sleep. I'm not just thinking straight. So if you don't mind, can we just go to somewhere very conducive and talk about this?
Sir, I really don't understand what you're trying to say. If you're not here to fix your car, I don't know what else you want me to do.
I'm here to see you because I've been thinking about you. I couldn't just take my mind off you.
Sir, aside from fixing your car, any other thing you have in mind, I am not interested. As you can see, I just resumed to work. So please, excuse me, sir.
Ada! I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know.
Sorry, sir, please excuse me.
Real. Girl, I want you to know.
Come here. So you meant that thing you said yesterday?
Of course! I keep telling you this. This is not why I came to Lagos. I'm here to hustle. I'm here to make money so I can take care of my family back home. Not this thing, not those ones.
Ada,
please, yes?
From the look of things, this guy is serious about you. This guy even arrived here before you got here. Of course, he came here before us. He was waiting. What more do you need, Ada? What more proof do you need? See, you see this Lagos? It's not easy to see a cute, handsome guy like that will come and stoop solo for a commoner like you.
Eh? Who is a commoner?
I didn't mean it that way. But Ada, please, I need you to loosen up, girl. Girl, go out and have fun. Even if you don't, just have fun with this guy. This guy might be the miracle you're looking for. Loosen up, my girl. Do it for me. Huh? Do it for me. Go and have fun. Alright? Just relax. Just loosen up, girl, and have fun. Alright? Will you do it for me? Sir, sorry about that, okay? She will go with you.
For real?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much for this.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Good. So, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This way.
Oh, Mpa. Hey, now say the mood's all right. Anything for the guests. Now my friend.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
God bless you, sir.
Okay, hold on. Ha, you come. Okay. Go ahead and
Thank you, sir. No.
I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real, baby. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for
Papa, back!
Ada, my Ada.
Papa!
How are you?
I'm
You
fine,
came
Papa.
around?
Yes, Papa.
Look at how beautiful you're looking.
Thank you, Papa.
Oh, you are.
Papa, yes. Where's Mama?
Mama?
Yes, Mama.
Where's Mama?
Now wake up, oh.
Ada. Hey, why are you waking me up?
Could you tell me?
I was at planet Earth. Hey, enjoying myself. You know where I was now? The land of everything wonderful happening there. Eh? Look at how beautiful you're looking. Oh, Ada, this your beauty can never be compared with any other.
I am your wife, I'm not Ada. I don't understand what you're saying.
Hey, okay, it's Ada.
I said I am your wife. But I don't see Ada. I brought food for you. Oh, my wife. Welcome. Welcome.
Hey! I thank God you came at this time because I was very hungry.
In the land of Ebisi.
In the land of the living.
Mm. Oh, let me tell you, God saved you that is my daughter's name that you called. Had it been you mentioned another woman's name, I would have made you continue with this sleep. I come here hand on Chage.
I know woman is like you, so I couldn't have mentioned those names, filthy names. You're welcome.
Yeah, eat your food.
You're welcome, man.
And I also want to collect some money. I need to buy some things more.
Hey. 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 Look at beautiful food you cooked. Adaka na monkey. Ewolike na kwomolomo. Tiema kunisi.
So you mean this is all the money you made in my absence?
Oh yes, this is all the money. There's no all the money.
Hey, that reminds me. I have not seen Ada since this morning. Where is she?
Actually, Ada came to work today.
Okay.
Her menstrual flow started, so she went back to change, ma.
Oh, that's fine. I just hope she will return early because some of my customers will be coming today, and I would like her to assist Piro and Shaggy in fixing their cars.
Don't worry, ma. She'll be back very soon, okay?
So you counted the money. How much is it? Oh, you did. How much is there? 30,000. And you, supervisor, how much is there?
50,000.
Okay. You know what? I have this. This 50,000 naira is for the both of you. No, supervisor, stop. 25,000. Later I will sort out Piro and Shaggy. And you, this 30,000 naira is for you.
Wow! Madam, too good. We the supervisor.
So let me go plenty. And yes. And I'm about to give you your own money. Stand up. I want to give you your own money. Okay? I saw you. You stole from me. You stole from me. You criminal. You criminal. How dare you steal money from me? I'm not stealing it. I'm arranging it. For that, this is your own share of the money. Can all of you get out of my office?
Madam, you put me.
Leave. I'm giving your money. Leave. Oh, criminal. Idiot. Thief. Just get out. Get lost. Get lost. Wafuo. Onyoshi criminal. Look at her. Let the 500 naira kill you there. Let it strangle you. Will you make use of it?
Journey.
Yes, I am.
I like your hairdo.
Thank you.
Where did you get it from?
My friend Chacha took me to the salon.
Oh, it's nice.
Thank you.
Really nice. You see, after here, I am going to take you out for shopping. You know, get you some stuffs. You have to make your nails and fix your nails and bend them.
No problem, I will.
You're good, right?
I'm fine.
My mother.
Are you done?
Thank you very much for the food.
You're welcome.
The food is sweet. You know what? I had another dream. The same dream. You know, where I saw Ada. Very beautiful. I think I saw a car also, but I'm not quite sure. You know?
No, it's also good. You know? It is just a dream. I know my daughter. I'm a mwa nzo. I know my daughter very well. I know she will succeed in the city. She will make it. I know she will make it and come back with plenty things. So it's just a made dream. My daughter is a brave and strong girl.
Yes.
City Amelia.
He said,
yes, City Amelia.
God will be with her.
Yes.
Hi. Dream all the time.
Anna, I be. I don't say where you doing now. Everywhere talk sorry for you. Everywhere is still anyhow. When you dey come back now, my girl? Better do and come back, because Madam do good asked of you. Thank God say child dey there. She covered up for you sharply. She say, hey, your period stay your body, oh. Now so you take rush, go ask, go change. Yeah. My girl, I envy you, sharp. Oh! What is it? Which one is love it? Are they all you? What's the love it?
Continue. Just continue. No, continue.
Hey, better carry time, oh. Not a pock notes for people affairs.
You don't dey obvious say you get wetin these girls and carry enter this place. Because I don't understand. I no think say na work then come.
Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil, I see the service your motor.
Oh, look at this. Did you see? So this is what you will wear at home and move around. No, but I don't want to see that slippers you brought from the village. Don't wear it here. This is what you wear. What? Take.
Have you seen this one?
Oh, Chanel. That's so girl good. I
think I saw one.
Who is that? Come in, the door is open.
Hey, babe. I see. I'm sorry. Let me start with I'm sorry first. I went to the workshop and I was told you're home. Please, from the depth of my heart, I apologize for the long silence. I mean, a lot happened in the course of my trip. I swear.
And you couldn't even call at least for me to hear your voice, even if it's just for 1 minute.
I apologize. Oh, believe me, I do.
That's not working.
I'm sorry for everything, okay? I'm sorry from the depth of my heart. Yeah, I'm sorry for the long silence. I'm sorry for not checking up on you. But you know what? I'm gonna make it up to you. Love you so much.
I love you too.
Look at you. Mysterious.
Same here. How are you?
Great. You're looking good.
Thank you. Ada, this is my boyfriend, Steven. You know, I told you about him, right? And babe, this is my girlfriend, Ada.
Oh!
Nice to meet you, sir.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you look good. Sit down. You know what, girls?
What?
You guys are all gagged up, looking kinky. You know what?
Tell me.
We're gonna boogie. We're gonna flex.
Really?
We're gonna flange you.
Really?
Outing time, baby.
Yes,
I want to spoil you guys. You know what? I want to spoil you in particular. Let's go have fun. Come on.
We're in for it, girl.
Really?
Let's go.
Oh my.
Let me pack my things.
Look at you. I see the picture of the kind of woman I want. And when
You are welcome to my small palace.
What?
Yeah.
You call this small? This is not small.
For you?
It's big and beautiful.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Please, have a seat. Make yourself comfortable, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. So, what do I offer you? I have juice, wine, champagne, name it. Depends on what you want.
Anything is fine, sir.
Anything.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Anything. So I should get crocodile meat for you. Okay. Relax, okay? Relax.
Okay.
Feel free. I'll see you in a jiffy. Okay.
I'm for real.
Anything, right?
Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real.
All I want is a good woman. A woman who will love me, who will believe in me for who I am. Ada, please, don't say no to me. Please come into my life and make my life meaningful.
Are you saying you don't have any woman in your life now?
I really don't want to talk about this, but I still have to explain to you, you know. My ex, all she does is to collect from me and gives to her secret lover. So we've broken up. Yeah. Ada, I want to love you and cherish you till the end. Please be my woman, please. And make me a happy man. I'd rather the happiest man on earth.
You don't have to always beg me, okay? Okay, fine. I have accepted to be your woman.
Are you serious?
Oh. When I look at you, I see the picture of the kind of woman I want. And when I think of you, it feels so good.
Thank you, my dear, thank you.
Heaven on earth. Oh, I'm looking for someone to be my queen. Oh baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I'm for real.
Come here. Come here. Oh my God.
For someone to be my queen. Oh baby, give me the...
Come on, look at what they got. Like seriously, man. Come on, you girls look good. You girls look good. You girls look what the fuck? Come on. If you girls don't mind, I would like to have some more. What do you think?
See what you want carry.
My money for hand, back for ground. I hope you're equal to the task.
Turn around, let me see.
You see him, you see
Turn
what
around, let
you
me
want carry.
see. Come on, do something for yourself, brother. Alright, you see something? No worries, okay? Once my car is being fixed, okay, we'll go to my hotel room and chill. What do you girls think about that?
We'll go first see money.
Come on, I said money is not a problem. Come on, why are you talking about money? Nigga, what's up, guys? What's up, you dude? What's up, dude?
What's up, sir?
What's up, dude? Come on.
We'll go clean this your car.
Fixed,
no,
man.
go clean am. We'll go clean am.
Get it fixed.
Senior man, I say make I tell you on how we still follow that day by jumper. By one corner they take one ball. You don't go bad though.
I can do all that for you before I leave, man. I just want the two guy clean your.
Hey, nigga, come on. Chacha, this your friend. Get the kind joy we she can't get this period. She just dey happy, they laugh like person when they shook hand for nyash. What's in the salt now?
What is wrong about being happy?
You know, you said no, I no be enemy of progress. But you know me now, they observe everything when they happen for this shop.
I beg, take Joe, take. Let me get meter.
Do come back, we'll make we finish this job. Before Madam Do Good go come back. I know if you reach there, I may go they laugh with
I don't hear.
And if you get updates, make una share. I don't understand where this one, she just they laugh. We two won't join to the laugh. Just they laugh like person when they shook hand for nyash. Ha! All these girls, eh?
But you know I love you too. I can't do without you. Okay, fine. I'll get back to you later, please. Oh my God.
Was that Greg you were talking to?
Of course, he is the one.
Somebody's in love.
You can say that again.
Oh. You see how excited you are. I told you to give him a chance. You see now you're so excited.
Of course.
Imagine if you didn't give this guy a chance.
You were right on your judgment. He is such a nice man. He has given me a reason to love again.
Oh, have you been in love before?
Never mind.
Okay, now tell me. I want to hear everything. Just tell me, what are you two up to?
A lot. But he has not mentioned anyone yet. He just said he has a lot for me. No one yet, but I'm sure very soon he will.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you, sweetheart. Look at you. Hey. I'm happy for you, darling.
Who is calling?
Mama. Ada. Hey, that's going. Pick it before it ends. Pick it, Mama.
Hello, Ada.
Hey, how are you?
Hello? I'm fine, Amara. How are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm actually at your parents' house doing some house chores.
Oh, I hope they're fine.
Yes, Mama is here, even Papa.
Thank you so much, thank you. Okay, let me talk to my father. Give him the phone.
Mama, she wants to speak with you.
Hey! Oh yeah. Ada became Omalicha Wankem.
Mama, good afternoon. How are you, Mama?
Mwanje Jemba. How are you, my daughter? Don't mind your mother. Do you know how long I have been desiring to hear your voice? Huh? Yes, actually she did. She's here. Always here doing one house chores to the other. Such a nice girl.
Mama, give the phone to Papa. I want to talk to Papa.
No. You're not talking to him. Have you finished speaking with me? Because I can balance you off, ma. Talk to your mother. How are you? How is Lagos? How is your work? How are you generally? Talk to me.
Mama, city is fine. Lagos is fine. And everything is getting better.
Thank God. When you sound like this, it makes me happy and gives me hope. So, Adria, let me now give your father phone. Oh? No. Ada wants to talk to you.
Give me the phone.
Oh.
Ada wants to talk to me. You snatch the phone. She wants to talk to Amara. You take away the phone. Are you a phone collector?
No phone, she's still online.
I know she's still online.
They don't want to talk.
Ada, how are you?
Papa, you have started again, no, Papa.
Don't mind me. Is your mother always wanting to dominate in talk? Dominating. How is the work? Ada, see, when you make it in the city, you will buy me a jeep.
Amen.
No, you will buy your father a jeep. And I've been praying for you to make it, and you will make it.
Amen, Papa. Amen to that.
And eventually, you're going to get a son that is handsome, that resembles your father. So that means I must get a handsome son-in-law. Yes.
Papa, no problem. I've heard you.
No, I'm praying for you. You'll get all that. Thank you. Keep on doing well. Thank you very much. Keep on doing well.
So between me and you,
okay.
Who would the grandchild look like?
Okay.
Resemble?
The grandchild must look like
me.
Me. It's
yeah.
me.
Let me go back to work. Please take care of Mama. Take care of her, please. I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay, thank you, Ada. Bye-bye. Bye.
Have you finished?
Well, you
Jeep
want me
and
to stay there forever like you? I don't do it.
Nene. Omalicham. Don't mind your father. Just wait. At God's own time, He will bring the right man into your life, whether handsome or ugly, whichever one, as long as his heart is beautiful and he loves you, I will take. You know, go on, and I told you.
I love you.
You didn't say it when you have the phone. Kitanji the phone, Kina love.
Okay.
Then we love you, Onne. Take care of yourself.
Remember love anytime.
Love.
If it comes anytime.
But we started talking about Jeep before love.
Yes, sir.
You didn't talk about love before Jeep.
Ada, who are you loving over the phone? Who are you telling you love him?
No, it's my father.
Will you shut up? And what is actually going on between you and that young man called Greg?
Nothing, ma.
Are you sure?
Nothing, ma. Nothing.
You know I'm very smart. And I'm smarter than you. How am I sure he's not the one you're telling you love?
No, ma.
Will you shut up? Instead of you to get busy and work. Look at that gearbox. Are you not supposed to bring it down? And you're here telling a man you love him. Listen, let me tell you something. We don't love here. We make money here. We're in this city to make money. You don't allow one stupid guy to deceive you. All they want is to collect that thing in between your legs and they will throw you away. So concentrate on their pocket. Get the money and walk away. You don't come here and start loving one stupid customer. You're telling somebody you love. Come on, will you get out? I'm talking and you're still standing. Mama, come on, get out. Get my father. Father kill you there. Look at her. Idiot. Animal. Nonsense.
When I look at you, I see the picture of the kind of woman I want. And when I think of you, it feels so good.
What are you doing in my house? Huh? Haven't I warned you never to step your feet into my house again? What's wrong with you?
I'm here to see my man. I've missed him.
Honey, please. Who is this?
Who? So, this is the whore you've been cheating on me with. This is the reason you've been acting up. This whore.
I do not know who you are. And guess what? I don't care to know. But I will not have you call me names in my man's house. No, I won't. I won't.
Did you just say your man? Sister girl, in case you don't know, Greg here has been my boyfriend. And we've been long enough before you even knew him, before you even crossed his path. So get out of this house this minute.
No. You should be the one to leave this house.
Are you asking me out of your house because of this lunatic, this smelling gold digger?
Honey, are you going to sit down there and watch her call me names?
Look at her.
Ada? Ada?
Smelling pig.
Ada?
Look at her.
That lady you just insulted is 10 times better than you in everything. If I should lose her, I am going to bury you alive. Ada!
Greg! Where are you? Greg! Greg!
Ada! Ada! Aban! Aban!
Oga, don't call me.
Why did you allow her into this compound?
No, Oga, I know how. I just go open door. By the time you know it, before I could shout them,
Jack, stop being seen. Chipu, you enter inside.
Let the innocent gate man be and face the fact, Greg. You are mine, and no woman will take you away from me.
Now listen. This relationship is over. Whatever that is between us is ended. I do not want to see you step your feet inside this compound again. Listen. Never again. Listen. I do not... Hey. If I ever see you here again, you'll regret my actions. Do you understand? Now get out.
Listen, Greg, I know I cheated, but baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm ready to do anything you want just for us to go back to the way we used to be.
Aban, go in there and bring your purse.
No. You can't ask me to leave your house because of that thing. I won't leave your house. This is my house.
Hey, come on.
Oh, you're gonna hurt me. My bag. No, you can't send me away. No. No. Don't you dare. Don't you dare touch me.
Pusha, out! Hey, come here.
What's that done, sir?
You see that lady?
Yes, sir.
The next time you open gate for her again, I'm going to kill you.
The next time.
This is why I hate men. I never wanted to do this. No, because I know how it usually ends. I know. Look at what they have done to me. Look.
Honestly, I can't believe that Greg will have another woman and he won't tell you.
You need to see the way she was insulting me. You need to see the way she was... Greg.
Ada, please forgive me. I am so sorry for everything. Please, I know I've wronged you. Please forgive me. She's no longer my woman. We've ended whatever we had. I told you.
Greg, I don't care if she's still your woman or not. But please just let me be. I don't want to talk to
My love, please, just hear me out, okay?
Let me! I don't want to talk to you! Let me!
Ada?
Let me go!
You have to go now, okay? So that she can calm down.
Please talk to Ada for me. I love her so much. I want her to come back to me. Okay? I love her with all my heart. I'm sorry for everything.
I know that. I will talk to her, but please, you have to leave now, okay? Alright. Ada?
Hi, Ada.
You see, Craig, you need to pull yourself together. Very, very important.
Steve-O, you don't understand. Steve-O, help me. Help me talk to this girl. Help me bring this girl back to me. And I really appreciate. This girl is a typical example of a good woman with a good upbringing. Please help me.
And who's this girl you're talking about?
Her name is Ada, and she's a mechanic.
A mechanic girl?
Yes. My guy, see, I would really appreciate if you can help me get this girl back to me. I would really appreciate. Okay? Please.
Can I see the picture of this girl?
Of course, sure. There's a picture.
Hmm?
Do you know her?
Ada? Ada is a friend to my girlfriend. As a matter of fact, they stay together in the same house and work in the same mechanic
Are you kidding me?
For real? No, it's a done deal, man.
Wow.
Come on, forget about.
Man, if you help me do this,
yeah,
I'm going to do anything for you. Please. I really appreciate it. Just make me a happy man.
Craig,
okay. Craig. Whatever it takes to bring this girl back to me, tell me I'm going to do it.
Just begin to celebrate. Wow. It's a done.
Thanks, man.
Or
Thanks,
fix
man.
it.
Wow. So you know Ada?
Ada is my girlfriend's friend. So close, 5 and 6.
Oh my
Stay in the same house, work in the same mechanic village.
Are you kidding
For a
me?
mechanic shop, I'm telling you.
I'm so happy now.
No, just forget it. Okay. If there is anywhere to pop champagne, like I just want.
Okay, man.
It's
Let's
a down
go.
day one day.
No. It's not a big deal.
Babe, you should have at least respected his opinion. Eh? And let them be.
Bella, are you the one saying this?
Yes, of course. Okay, tell me, when you were busy flocking around with Stanley, it didn't occur to you. You didn't think that one day Greg is going to find out.
Stanley is my biggest regret. I messed up big time.
You really did. You messed up, babe. Big time. And then even the so-called fool you sacrificed everything for. Tell me, where is he? He is busy enjoying himself in the arms of another woman. All in the name of love. Lazy.
Stanley is my biggest regret. Hi.
Well, you don't have to blame yourself so much, okay? Life happens.
But Bella, what do you advise I do now?
Advice you do? Just let them be.
What?
Move on. That's all you do.
What? What are you saying?
Of course now, Lizzie. Isn't it obvious that Greg has found happiness with that woman? And you know, men these days, what they are looking for is trust. Give them any slightest reason, opportunity to doubt your love for them. That will be the end. You know? So I will advise you, baby girl, not to fight this. Do not fight this and move on with your life. And then believe yourself that one day, a man who will truly love you for who you are will come your way. You know? Please promise me you're not going to fight this, because when you do, you will be the biggest loser at the end. And you know that. Greg is not ready to trade that girl for anything. Okay? I've said my own. It is not left for you.
Bella, I think you're right.
I'm always.
I think I'll just let them be.
Just let them be, okay? You'll be alright. You'll be fine.
So, young man, you're welcome to my workshop.
Thank you.
So what do you want us to do for you?
Actually, I want my car to be fixed. And I want to change the oil as well.
That's fine.
Shaggy! Shaggy!
I'm calling you. Have these car keys. You need to change the oil in his car, both the oil filter. Okay, you know what to do. Service the car. Have the.
Every time, are you deaf? Can you have the car keys?
Madam, please. I think I would prefer that girl mechanic over there to fix my car for me.
Are you stupid? Is he talking to you? Oh, you mean Ada? That's fine. Yeah, that's her name. So let me have the car keys. Shaggy, let me have the car keys. Are you all right? Are you stupid? I think I need to take you to Suleiman. They need to do you deliverance there.
Ma, this lover would not like it, ma.
Will you get out? He said, thank you. Go and I keep moving.
Sorry, ma.
Call her up. Oh my goodness. Get out.
And I don't do now. You don't do. You know, since when we stand there where you be like this, you know, do alright. See, make I tell you, my girl. You see, breakfast. Trust me, you go reach everybody. Even that your guy. First you go serve on your own, eh? Maybe not somebody like me, sir. I go serve him. Yeah.
Ada, call Ada for me. Call Ada.
Ada. Shaggy dey call. Wetin happen? Why you dey call her? Boss, call her that for me. I dey fear you.
Wait, na me dey follow play those kind of nonsense play.
Baba Fadia.
I no wan reason your matter. Ada, okay, na me dey call you, eh? You face the other side. Bye, Awana, no wahala. Madam say make I call you. So go answer your call. And last, I know say nothing they think be and I will not be man. But no worry. One day, man got mama ganya here. You see her?
Wicked boy.
I don't tell him.
You know this guy can be very naughty sometimes. Eh? I say believe me, my girl. Now we did this town before you come. Now we they tell you say breakfast go reach everybody. Ah. Trust me.
No problem.
They go serve him in own very soon.
Let me go and see madam.
Just
back.
Okay. No, they cry. Madam go see. She go ask you what they do you now. They cry. See you. Come here, come the move. Breakfast, you don't reach you. We were there here since you don't reach us.
I'm so sorry about that. This my boy, I think he's having some mental issue. I've been trying my possible best to bring him up. Boy, he keep coming down, you know. It's not easy, but oh, here she come. Ada, be fast now. I'm calling you and you're walking like this.
I'm here, Mom.
Have this car keys, please. Look at the car over there. I need you to change the oil filter. Just service the car for him. He said he wants you to fix his car. So have the car keys.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Madam, please. I'm not feeling fine. Can you have Piro or Shaggy fix the car, ma, please?
Are you stupid? Who are you to tell me what to do? Who are you to dictate for me how to run my workshop? I'm telling you to go and fix a car and you're calling Piro. Does Piro look like your houseboy? When will you learn to start respecting your elders in this workshop? Idiot! Come on, go and fix that car before you lose your job. Have it!
Madam, please. Please, my health is more important, ma, please.
Oh, your health is more important. In that case, you are fired. Get out!
Madam, please. It hasn't gotten to that yet, okay? Since she said she's not feeling fine, maybe she needs some rest, okay? Allow her to take that time. Okay, maybe another person can still fix my car for me.
Will you be okay with that?
I'm very perfect.
Thank your star that he's changed his mind. If not, I would have fired your ass. Look at her. Idiot. You're calling Piro. Do you have a young guy like Piro in your village? Come on, get out of my sight. Get lost. Out! Piro! Piro!
Something they worry you for your head? Eh? How could you talk back to Madam Dogood like that? What if she had sacked you? What would you have done?
God would have given me another job. She doesn't care about my health. All she cares about is work and money and nothing else. And I cannot compromise my health for anything. No, I can't.
You know that you are not sick. You don't just want to work because of what Greg did to you. Not be me going to tell that story, oh.
Here, let's forget about this Greg for now. Okay? Let's just forget about him. I've been meaning to ask you. How come Madam Dogood is the owner of this place? How come she's the one in charge of this place? Because mechanic workshops are usually owned by men. But she's a woman. How?
See, Ada, what she told us is this. When her husband died, she hustled so hard to buy this place. She actually bought this place. So she had to employ us to attract customers for her. That's all I know. Don't ask me any other thing.
I'm for real. I'm for real. Girl, I want you to...
Hi, baby.
You know him?
Yeah, this is Craig, my friend. Sorry I've not introduced him to you.
Well, I'm surprised. Welcome, Craig.
Thank you, Chacha. Ada, how are you?
Fine.
You see,
Ada, my friend here has told me a lot about you. I mean, so many good things about you. How he wants you both to walk down the aisle as husband and wife. Yeah. He once had something to do with that girl you saw, no doubt. But in the long run, he discovered she was an impostor. I mean, sure, she was. She gets money from him and gives to other guys. Who would stand that? You see, I'm not holding brave for my friend. No, I'm not. But he's a very, very nice guy. Very nice guy. So please, I crave your indulgence to forgive him and have him back again. Please.
Ada, please.
No, please. You don't have to kneel down. You don't have to kneel down. Okay, fine.
It feels so good, feels like heaven on earth. Oh, like a king.
I'm forgiving you.
That's it.
Give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I'm for real. Oh, like a king. I'm looking for someone to be my queen. Oh, baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I love you plenty.
Baby, you scared me.
I know, I'm sorry about that, okay? It's like you're about to cook something.
Yes, I'm preparing to make your favorite meal.
Wow, I can't wait.
You're welcome. So what will happen? Go to the sitting room, relax, watch TV while I finish up, and then I'll come and call you.
I'll do that then.
Okay, baby.
I'll see you, eh?
All right.
Oh, that reminds me. You said something about your birthday.
Yes.
What date?
It's on the 16th of this month.
Okay.
But I'm not going to celebrate it.
Why?
Because I don't have money to.
Hey, come on, you don't have to say that, okay? Don't worry, till then. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Yes? I'll be there waiting.
Okay, baby.
For that.
Of course. All right, dear.
How much I love you. I'm for real. Oh, like a king. I'm looking for someone to be my queen.
He asked about my birthday, and I told him I wasn't ready to celebrate it.
What do I want to do with this girl? Eh? What I want to do with you? Why will you tell him that?
Because there is no money. I don't have money to do that.
Why didn't you tell him to celebrate it for you since you don't have money?
You know, I will not allow any man to do that for me. It's not my thing. Besides, it's not been long we met for me to make such requests from him.
This girl JJ see too much, oh. Omo, na city you dey don't come up from village. See any opportunity where you see for here, grab them. One hand. What they make grandma now? Sure.
Shanti, that is why we are different.
I pass you.
Listen, if I'm not able to do this year, I will definitely celebrate next year. That's just me for you guys.
Nah,
problem with this girl. When I see my problem with this girl, not only English is all the money you not get, but you dey move. The rough shoulder with who? Person want to celebrate birthday for you. You dey show yourself.
Madam, they come. See, madam.
What is wrong with you now?
You know waiting.
Don't mind him.
But don't you talk about this birthday thing now. Make una dey focused too.
I know say madam no dey come.
Find something doing.
You continue with what you're doing.
Head.
Don't mind him.
So, babe, where are you taking me to this weekend?
When weekend?
Cheers.
To us. I was thinking of taking you to an exclusive and cozy place where we can be together.
Where exactly?
Surprise, surprise.
Anyways, that would be lovely. Of course, I trust what you can do, but it's Ada's birthday and I wanted to take her out. You know, it's her special day.
Ada's birthday? It's okay.
But you can come with us if you want to. I mean...
No. Let me allow you guys have fun. I'm not complaining. Just be together and be happy.
You are a darling. Come here,
come
here.
Oh. Yeah. You're welcome with that.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt your moment.
Did she interrupt anything?
No.
Don't worry, I'll just be there.
We're not driving you.
Ada, we should continue, please.
Ada, you're making me shine. Imagine.
She said continue, please.
Continue. I
love
you.
I love you too. I love you so much. I love you more.
Sure.
Ada. Ada AD. Where is this thing? Yes, there. Birthday girl. Birthday girl. All right there. I got this for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dad.
Oh my God, you did?
I did.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
And the swan.
All this for me?
Oh, that's for you.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Darling. Thank you.
Wow. I love this one. I love this color.
Your favorite color. You know that? I know, right?
Oh my God. Thank you. May God bless you for me. Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Okay, so right now, the second one is this. You go in there, dress up, look so sexy and beautiful. I'm taking you out tonight. Yeah, let me spoil you a little.
Does that not include spending of money?
Oh, that doesn't matter. Just go dress up, let's go. Come on. Yes, I'm sure. You got that. Go dress up, let's go. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm coming. Oh, Andra, you will change. Happy birthday, my friend, my friend.
Sinabra. Gentleman.
The boss.
Hey. How are you?
I'm good.
Aww. We go love her.
Actually, there's no better time to do this than now. Yes. And it was all orchestrated, not just by me, but with my friend here. Okay? I just want everybody here to see and know how much I love you.
Oh.
Yes. I want you to give me that opportunity to love you and cherish you. I want you to be the mother of my children.
Oh.
Yeah. So, I've come to ask you for a great favor.
Say yes now, made them open another mechanical shop.
Say yes now.
Mechanic, yes, say yes.
And what are you waiting for? Say yes. I'm here. Say yes.
Mechanic daughter, don't mind. Mechanic daughter.
Beautiful. Oh my
You see, I will not be left out in this consummation of love.
Also, no.
Sir? Craig, this was our brainchild.
You're there.
And to my quintessential beauty. Charity, you say, you're every man's dream. You know why? Because you're an embodiment of brain, beauty, tenacity, panache. I can go on and on and on. But at this juncture, I want to ask you one very salient question. And I pray you oblige me. Will you walk down the aisle with me?
Yes.
Small madam, say yes. When I leave her, she go say yes. She no get choice. Say yes, so they'll collect her money. She go say yes.
I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real.
Shaggy, can you see that?
Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real, baby. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know that. Cause when I look at you, I see the picture of the kind of woman I want. And when I think of you, it feels so good, feels like heaven on earth. Oh, like a king. I'm looking for someone to be my queen. Oh baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I'm for real. Oh, like a king. I'm looking for someone to be my queen. Oh baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I love you plenty.